You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody. And happy Friday. Woo! It's fucking Friday, baby. Who's feeling like it's Friday? I do. I feel like it's Friday. It's Friday all day long, baby. Give yourself a round of applause if you made it all the way to the end of the week with your accounts intact, with your head on straight, with some payouts in the bank. Or if you just made it after blowing 50,000 accounts, go ahead and do that too. Give yourself a nice little round of applause for putting in the effort and trying your hardest. Fuck it. We'll give you that too. I'm so happy. It's Friday, baby. We have a lot of things to talk about. Of course, the war is over for the morning. It'll be back on by the weekend so that Hold on, breaking news. Trump said Barron is going to be getting short by the end of the day today because they're going to talk about the war as being back on was it Sunday? Okay, Sunday Globex crash, 800 points. Got it. Okay, perfect. Barron's going to be getting short up here. War will be back on. Sunday Globex will be back down about 900 points. Don't worry. It'll happen. No big deal. No big deal. This was because... Let's go over here. This happened because Pakistan said that Iran is coming to the negotiations tables and there's some leaks and social media and blah, 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 blah. That's it. That's what caused that huge up jump there. 200 almost to 350. I guess it did hit 360. Jiminy Christmas. That's a big bitch. Right there. 363. Yeah, wow. Crazy. Anybody catch that move? I certainly didn't. I wasn't even here. That would have been nice. That would have been a great way to go into the weekend. Although I probably wouldn't. I don't know. There's probably no way I would have fucking taken that on a Friday. No, not because of Netanyahu having dick cancer. No, that's a good guess though. But yeah, the markets usually don't react to dick cancer like that. What's up, Ripster? Hey, what's up, D-Bix? Trump will say very good conversation again in Iran. We'll say we never talked. Yep, sounds about right. This is the news cycle. By the way, there is no news coming out today. It's going to be a very, very light news day, at least until 10. At 10, what do we have coming out here? We have the University of Michigan sentiment coming out today. Wow, it's already almost, I don't know about you guys, but April just was like bang, bang. Now we're at the end of April. I think this is the last Friday, Trading Friday of April. Yep. Today is the last Friday of April, Trading Friday. Well, the last Friday of April. Intel jumped 29% pre-market. What, because of Netanyahu's dick cancer? What does that have to do with that? Funding intact, but L's all week. I'll tell you, hey, if your fundeds are still intact, that's great comms right there. These are my Lightning funded accounts. These are my Alpha accounts. What else do we have? I have my funded seed accounts. I think that's it. Oh, and then TPT. Let me see. Check my emails here. Nothing but TPT yet. About TPT. I'm guessing next week. Because if I was looking back, I think it was like, I don't know. It might be, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to log in here, actually. Let's see when I pass my last batch of these bad boys. Rachel. Still here, but not yet funded. It's okay. It's okay. Don't put so much pressure on yourself. I mean, the market is still insanely difficult, right? Not the good difficult, by the way. We learned this week that difficult means good and bad, so it was not a good difficult. Let's see here. Past tests. Let's see. Okay. So, my last set of 5, if we're looking back 2 cycles, was disabled on March 27th. So that means that I will be getting the email of allowing to activate my TPT accounts on Monday. Just hearing these squawkers right now talking about Pakistan and Iran and all this. Yeah, Secretary War Hegseth is talking. Yeah, they're going back to Islamabad. Okay, so the leaks were correct. This move caused by a leak in social media, it was correct. So, dude, did you guys hear about, there was a special forces member who got arrested for insider trading? Did you guys hear about this? I can't be the only one who heard about this, right? There was an insider trader who got arrested because was he betting on Polymarket? He made $400,000 positioning something about the arrest of Maduro. So essentially he knew that was going to happen. This is going to be happening more and more in this digital age that we're in. I'm surprised it actually took as long as it did. Let's pull up the I got to pull up the thing. 4K arrest Maduro. Let's see.
Let's see here. Go over to our chatting page over here. Oh, what's up, everybody? How we all doing? Get my camera back the other way. There we go. Dr. Pepper. Why you give me a Dr. Pepper ad? Wait, can you guys not hear that? Hold on, hold on. Yeah, hold on, hold on. I want to make sure you guys can hear this. Bring this shit over here. Another Dr. Pepper ad. Boy, they really want to sell me some Dr. Pepper, huh? This is crazy, these motherfuckers. These boys love Dr. Pepper in this bitch. One of a kind taste, one of a kind connection. Alani. Hold on, let me get this. Here we go.
Just in tonight, ABC News has now learned that a U.S. Special Forces soldier is under arrest tonight. Authorities say that soldier was involved in the U.S. operation to capture Venezuela's Nicolas Maduro. He's now accused of pocketing nearly $500,000 for betting on Maduro's capture before President Trump announced the capture. Here's Aaron Petrosky tonight.
Tonight,
what a moron.
Special Forces soldier involved in the daring military operation that captured Nicolas Maduro in Venezuela is under arrest for allegedly pocketing nearly $500,000 by betting on the top secret raid before it even happened. Ken Van Dyke was part of the U.S. Special Forces that moved under
Brother, you have one job. You gotta get. You're like in secret forces. Keep it a secret.
Prosecutors say Van Dyke began placing bets totaling more than $33,000
on Polymarket.
That Maduro would be removed from office
Holy
by the end
shit.
of January. Polymarket said that series of bets net Van Dyke more than $400,000.
And he only made $400,000.
When President Trump announced the U.S. had captured Maduro, he praised the troops involved.
These highly trained warriors operating in
Tremendous
collaboration with U.S. law enforcement caught them in a very ready position.
But tonight,
what
one
is
of
the
them is
most
now charged with fraud and unlawful use of confidential government information for personal gain, marking the first time the Justice Department is prosecuting.
Of course, original Jeff goes, he is allowed to do this. Weird, the guy who's been holding GME for the last 85 years says that.
Someone for exploiting inside knowledge to win big on
Jeff, you can't stop being wrong.
The president was asked if he's concerned government insiders are getting rich by betting on prediction markets.
It sounds like he was betting on his removal from office, that Maduro would be removed.
Jeff.
That's like Pete Rose betting on his own team. It's a little like Pete Rose. Pete Rose, they kept him out of the Hall of Fame because he bet on his own team. Now, if he bet against his team, that would be no good, but he bet on his own team. I'll look into it.
The president was also asked tonight about betting in connection
Some would
with
say
the war
bet on
in
his
Iran,
own
David,
team.
and whether he has concerns about insider trading there. The president saying the whole world has become something of a casino. He says he's not happy about it, but it's a crazy world. David.
Woo, crazy world, lots of smells. That's fucking hilarious, bro. Holy shit. Oh, fuck yeah, Dr. Pepper. Oh yeah, we do. Fucking ride for that shit, baby. All day. That's fucking hilarious, dude. That's absolutely fucking insane. That's crazy. Guy made $400,000. That's it. Like, why would you not, like, bitch, lever up or something? Like, let's go. Rips, do you ever sleep? I can't remember the last time I went to bed, actually. Let me see. Ooh, no, I don't. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot to do my journal last night. Markets are still moving here. I would like to see this calm down just a little bit. All right, hold on one second. I gotta fill out my fucking journal now. Long 87. Let's go, Ron. Get him, baby. I think I actually slept well last night. Yeah, I got 7 hours and 48 minutes of sleep last night, baby. That was glorious. Just bought a new house and the neighbors leave their dog out on a balcony and just let him bark all day and night. And what should I do? I have 4 dogs and it's really not hard to correct this behavior. Call the animal services or whatever the hell it's called. Animal services? Animal protection? Yeah, animal control. That's what it is. Thank you. Animal services. Yeah, call animal control. That'll set you right. Okay. Weekly air cargo trends. Rate increases, slows as Middle East capacity further rebuilds. Okay. So it feels like the Strait of Hormuz pressure is kind of slowing down a little bit. Getting better and better and better. You know? So that's all good news. Good show I've been watching on Netflix is Animal Control? Wait, is that the one that they filmed in San Diego about the skateboarders? Or is that a completely different one? Oil takers coming to U.S. Gulf increased by 55%. U.S. is selling oil like water to its biggest debt holders. Interesting. It's a sitcom? Well, maybe I haven't seen that one. Should have had Pelosi place the bet. I agree. He would have been kept out of trouble if that's what he did. It would have been a lot easier to fucking function. I don't know what that person was thinking, to be honest with you. What are you doing? What are you thinking, brother? What are you doing? All right. This market looks like it wants to continue kind of like wiggling up here. I want to wait for it to kind of chill out a little bit, to be honest with you. Nice little chillers. Like a pullback or some. Pullback would be lovely. Would make a lot of sense. All right, I'll be right back with you, folks. Don't go anywhere. The show is just getting started. Oh, we're back, baby. What's cracking it? What is happening? What did I miss? Why'd the market fart like that? Let's see. Nothing. No reason. I didn't trade the Percy. Not me, fella. Not me. What's up, National? How are you, baby? Alrighty. Yeah, still it's kind of, I'm just waiting for really anything that's makes sense here. Right now we're just dancing. Who's really? Oh, Canada. I was like, retail sales for Canada coming out. How are you guys enjoying the long form content on the channel right now? Been releasing 2 pieces of long form on YouTube every single day. It's like 20 pieces of content every single day now. It's crazy in total. Canadian retail sales coming out. Let's see what happens. Let's see how it goes. 0.7%, nobody cares. 0.9% was the estimate. Nobody cares. So that's not a big deal. Wait, somebody, what? They're like, we don't use AI when deciding the key rate in Russia? What? The fuck is that? What are they talking about? All right, I'm almost ready to start charting here. Gotta do a couple more things. It is coming down though. I kind of want to see if we can just. The only real news again coming out today is the Michigan sentiment. So being patient and waiting for the Michigan sentiment is probably the smart thing to do if you're trying to be very cautious in your trading today. All right, that's all done. Go. Okie dokie. We still have our Lightning funded accounts to trade. We are coming straight back down here. I'm curious if we're gonna break this quintuple mega super ultra bottom at 760, or sorry, 260. 260. Let's see here. Time is up. Let's do 8:46. All right, 1 minute for this prediction. Go ahead. Channel Points Gamble is live on Kick if you want to do it. Yeah, Canadian news is not going to affect the U.S. markets right now. Is next week the week you activate Apex? You seem to be dialed in now. They're gone, brother. Those things are gone. They're long gone, brother. Those things took a hike a long time ago, broski. What are you sorry for? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Yep, we're doing the chart markup shortly here. You only have 48 hours to activate Apex. False. Missed the Globex. Did you take anything? I don't remember. I think we just took a payout. That's it. Still rolling here. 7170 in the S&Ps. I mean, this is a lower end of the volume shelf, so if we give this up, it would fucking roll super hard. Let's see. There might be a bit of a trade that we can take in Tradeify here. Because it is snapping these lows. Curious if we're going to actually break 760 at all. All right, I'm going to try that. Take that short in our Lightning funded accounts. If we can break these lows, it's going to get very speedy to the downside. So trying to target those lows. You can see there's a lot of people that want to hold 760s, but man, if we keep bouncing and taking this lower, it's going to get very, very heavy. Let's see if we can get through 55 here. If we can get through 55, oh my God, this thing will go very, very heavy to the downside. Can we sweep 50s? That becomes a question. Without a lot of people front running that 50 area. A lot of people picking up and front running those 50s. Totally normal. Should be able to squeeze some out here. Like a little bit of just a schmeckleberry at 51. 51 quarters. See if we can get that. They might be bringing it up here. I'd say 70s are kind of the line in the sand. Let's see. They front ran those 50s. I was trying to get 51 quarters. This is our Lightning funded accounts. They hold 60s here. They're going to bring it right back up. Now they're front running 70s. If you have a support phone for Lucid, what do you need? What's the problem with Lucid? I could help you. There we go. There's that dive. Let's see if we can get that connection now. There's enough sellers on this tape that we should be able to get 51 quarters. And, oh my God, you're fucking kidding me. Just right there, brother. 51 quarters, right there. It's literally right there, homies. God, I hate when I fucking pick the exact number that they pick. There you go. 51 quarters. God bless. DLL rips. Don't know what it is with your account balance, but no, we have $6,000 worth of drawdown on these accounts. But good comes, good comes, good comes. We have $6,000 worth of drawdown on those accounts, so we can go for that kind of trade. I got funded. Now they say my account was breached. It stated active the last 3 days I traded it. Well, what'd you do to breach it? This is very simple to find out. You broke a rule, hit daily loss limit, you breached it somehow, so. Damn, that thing really hit 31. Holy shit. We can make another $800 on this account if we wanted to. We are holding rate around 50s and still selling here. I'm going to try this short again. Yeah, we're holding underneath those 50s here. Filled 2. Filled 1. There we go. So 1,300 bucks. Let's see. I'm probably done with those for today. We only have to make $3,700 more to get a payout in these things than I can do over the next few days. I'm in no rush. And then we get $15,000 payout from Tradeify. So, yeah, that was a PNC to the downside. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Beautiful. Any new MC levels up here and above? They were posted today in MC. What a song, by the way. Listen to this thing fucking going. Yeah, Jeff is like Temu Soupy. He's not as good as Soupy. Jeff is like Temu Soupy. It's not even like comparable, dude. It's really not. One trade plus 1,500 hit the lock button. Nice work there, Jeff. Let's go. Hey, Chandi, what's up? Got the cinnamon roll this time? Them hips don't lie. Yeah, I got the cinnamon roll. I had 2 bites of it because I didn't want to catch diabetes. Talked about that during the Globex stream. You're probably asleep because you go to bed so early. All right, I think we can trade our alpha accounts now. Was up 1,600, decided to trade Trump's speech, blew another one. Why are you doing that, Soupy? And you didn't even give us the call outs, bro. What's up with that, dude? What's going on? Hey, I just wanted to say I finally learned some patience from you. I'm on day 20 in row of green days. Nothing life-changing, but steady, consistent growth. Appreciate what you do. Let's go, crazy man. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, baby. We are coming down here. Let's see if we can get some alpha cooking. Yeah, ever since we started making this week structure, we've been really starting to get heavy and roll here. 25 is a level to watch because it coincides with 7160 in the S&Ps. So multiple pitch and catches on the way down there. I got you, Christo. Let's go, baby. Every single time I hear them talking about Barron's, the financial business thing, I keep thinking they're talking about Trump's son. They're like, Barron's something something short squeeze. I was like, wait, what? That's incredible. He's back at it again. That's insane. Chart art will come. I want to just see if we can nail some of these trades down here. Right now, we just made a new lower high. That's right, Highway to Hell. You better believe it. Is everybody in the private IG group, the free one? Everybody thinks I'm trolling about that now. It's real. Do you post events? Every day of my life, brother. We post events with me every single day. Just leave Barron alone. That's what I'm saying. We need to leave Barron alone. Dude, Leslie. Look at you. What a G. Dude, can we get to 10,000? That's what I want to get. 10,000. That's what I want right there. There we go. All right, let's see if we find any type of rejection here around 65, 70s. Right now, we did make a higher low, so. J. Diaz says, I tried using code RIPS on an escort at work. How much did she give you off? And did she use the GOG 9000? That's the question. Really? We want to know. Let's go, Futes. She got him fully off. That's a discount if I've ever heard one. Oh, baby. All right, big fuck. We missed that entry. Big harsh rejection up there. Back to the 50s. Axios just reported that Iran has dropped more mines in the Strait of Hormuz. So that's why we saw that little blip down there. Axios confirming that report, or doubling down on that report, I guess. Link for the Insta group. It's on my Instagram story. There's a button that says join. You click that button. You have to do it from the Instagram app though. All right, I'm gonna try this short underneath 50s. There we go. Terrible fills in trade evades. Terrible fills here, but that's fine. Try to rock this. I want to see this heading a little bit lower here. Can we break below those 30s? Nice move. Nice. Bang, perfect. That's in our alpha funded accounts. About 1,700 per account. Beautiful structure break there. Gorgeous. Anybody else catch that one with me? That's $5,100 on the day on our alpha funded accounts. That's day 2 locked up, baby. Bang. The actual pitch and catch was the one that I missed because the Axios, but then I took the second one up here. So, bang, biggity, bang, bang, bang. What a beautiful structural break that was. Definitely covered a little bit too early, but that was gorgeous. Got to cover because I get worried about these little, like that 207 to 227 to 20 handle bounce. That fucking eats in your profits very quick. And it can come here, but yeah, just be careful out there. Nice, CW. Let's go, baby. I love to hear that. Yeah, that was, I mean, these are PNCs like from the market gods today. You can take, like that whole PNC setup was an actual fucking gift. Let's go ahead and look why. Oh, that's the wrong button. I do that every time. I gotta stop doing that. Okay, so let's talk about the PNC here. So you see these structures right here? You can look at those as flags and that's fine. We don't care. What we're looking at is this, and this, okay? The first PNC is the fact that we don't reclaim this higher. We're on the 10-second chart right now, so I can show you in the liquidity that we're looking at. This is the area that we're watching right here, initially. Right there. So we're looking for weakness above that area. Now there's 2 ways that you can enter this trade. You can enter it on an invalidated wick right here, which is what you see as this topping wick, which says that sellers are in control. How do you identify these wicks? When you have a green wick like this that is completely batted down, it doesn't have to go red, but when you have a green wick like that, and this is how you can identify this without bookmap. If you have a green wick like that, you're looking for either an entry when you have that green wick qualify, or you're looking for the next build up towards that wick, right? So you have this level that you're using as your challenge level, and then this level that you're using as your primer. People are asking me multiple times, what's the primer? This is your primer for the pitch and catch, right? It's happening again down here, but I want to talk about this so that we can get through this educational session here. So here is the call out basically, because I mean, this pitch and catch is actually this same one here. This is a pitch and catch in and of itself. When we do not challenge this higher area and we do not challenge this higher area, this wick right here is your entry signal. If you do not get in there, the next entry signal is right here. Because if you, let's say that you identify this structure right here, if you don't identify it until here, the worst thing that you could do is chase price in this area. Instead, you want to wait for the price to refract and come back up and do a reflex towards this target. When you have exhaustion towards this target, that is your entry for the trade. Your takeout down here is your target, right? So the takeout down here is your TP. And you can see how well that works. So takeout is right here. Right there. So on that trade right there, if you're taking the most relaxed version of that PNC, your stop is above the 1 hour mid. Your TP is here. That's a 2-to-1 trade. Over 2-to-1 trade. Does that make sense? Drop a W in chat if that makes sense to you. Okay. It continues to happen. Using this same challenge area, the previous primer, you create a new primer here. This becomes your new primer right here. That's your new primer. Your entry is where? On the exhaustion of that wick. Remember, we do not chase price unless you're using this still as your same primer. Because again, in a higher time frame, this is another pitch and catch using this as a primer. Now, if you are late, again, you want to use this as your primer. Right here. Primer, entry. Okay, so entry is here. You can use the primer, previous primer as your stop, TP1. Okay, TP1 is gonna be a 1.5 to 1, TP2 down here. That's gonna be a 2-to-1, right? So on the higher time frame, you're always taking the 2-to-1. On the lower time frame, you're taking a 1.5 to 1. Drop a W in chat if that makes sense. We're looking at this in a 10-second time frame because we're reading tight order flow that is based around news. Does anybody have any questions? That's the pitch and catch in a nutshell for you. Exhaustion, you can see through the candles. It either shows up in one candles or multiple candles, right? And again, you can do this on any time frame. We're just looking at the lower time frame because we're scalping for 10 to 20 points. So you're looking for wicks like this. If you have a wick like this that isn't super strong, you're looking for a candle rejection. Within this candle, when you're crossing that low, that could be your entry there, but I'd prefer to take the entry somewhere here. Make sense? If you look at this setup that I post, I'll post my setup on my Instagram story right now. You can see all the time frames that I'm looking at. Okay, posting my setup on my Instagram story. There you go. I recommend 10 second more than 15 second. It doesn't matter. This will work on any time frame. We're looking at the 10 second time frame because we're taking 10 to 20 point scalps. You can use the tick chart. It works on any chart. I promise you this. It will work on any chart. This format will work on any chart. Right? So like right here, if you're using this as a primer, right? Look it, there's no rejection. There's no rejection. So that's invalidating that PNC to the lower time frame, right? This is your primer, right? You're like, oh, how do I not get into a bad PNC? Well, that's your primer and it exhausted your primer, right? So there you go. That's, again, and I'll keep talking about it because it's our favorite setup here on this channel. That's the pitch and catch every day of the week, baby. This will happen over and over and over. And it happens to the downside, it happens to the upside, it happens to every side. It happens on lower time frames, it happens on higher time frames, it happens on everything. The reverse pitch and catch is the exact same thing. It just looks like this. Literally. The same drawings that I just had. Right? Take out right here. Primer, long. Take out, primer, take out, long. Same thing. It's the exact same thing. It's the exact same thing. Right? There we go. Good comms, everybody. Good comms. You recommend 10 second more than 15 seconds? It doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I don't know why I blocked that, but it says no one teaches trading like Rips. If you want alpha like that, you have to join Discord and pay a fee. Nope. I will never charge you guys. Nope. Nope. Not gonna happen. Sorry. It's only ever gonna be free. Same thing with the bookmap course. Dude, wait until you guys see what I'm cooking up for this bookmap course. It's gonna be fucking insane. You guys are gonna be shocked. Like, I'm gonna spend a lot of money on it too. Fuck it. If I can spend money on a stupid ass fucking booger bracelet with diamonds in it, I'm gonna spend a lot of money to make a sick bookmap course and release it for free. It's the same shit. It's the same fucking thing to me. You know what I mean? Doesn't do anything. It's like a stupid little fucking bracelet. Doesn't do anything. You know? Like, why not spend money and fucking give it to you guys? That's how I look at it. It's like, it's fun for me though. I enjoy it, dude. I love teaching. I love this shit, man. Where is it? It's my fucking jewelry box. I'm not gonna wear the fucking boogers on stream. That's so flagrant, dude. That's fucking flagrant. Oh God. Can you imagine? One day we'll just fucking gold like it might break out. Let's see. It's weird gold falling the same as the NASDAQ a little bit this morning. How much was the booger bracelet? That thing is difficult, twin. Dude, we're really gonna get difficult out there into the slangosphere. Dude, I love that fucking shit. Homie, that fit is difficult. And I mean, it is hard to solve. Oh man, I stay off GC when it runs with NQ. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. You're not wrong for doing that. Not wrong. Hit him with the ice out Jesus. I don't have any Jesus pieces. This is the closest thing I have to a Jesus piece. It's my cross. Mwah. Love this thing. Closest thing I have to a Jesus piece. Levels are fire. They're crazy, huh? You didn't believe me before. If you want to catch the levels, I dropped them in the IG group. It's free, 100% free. You guys asked me about levels. Join the Instagram group. It's free, dude. Absolutely free. Like, everything I do is free. Everything. Absolutely free. 100% free. I even free ball. Yeah, it's a crazy thing, huh? I'm looking for daily payout firms. Anyone have the trustworthy list? Lucid, Tradeify. Wait, Lucid doesn't have daily. TPT, Tradeify Select, Funded Seat. What am I leaving out? What am I leaving out right now? What am I leaving out? Funded Seat, Pozo. Dude, did you not see the last 3 days? It fucking got paid $24,000 in 3 days. Like, single trades on 2 of those days, too. Get Funded Seat. Jesus. The no-brainer. Absolute no-brainer. Their whole system is fucking great. I know that you're a blonde. It doesn't change anything, though. So what do we trade now? What do I have? Funded seat. Funded seat, funded seat, funded seat. Chancellor Murs talking about funded seat. How funny would that be? I think it's wonderful. They have the seat and it's funded. It is amazing. The seats are funded. Rips Trades. Is it Rips Trade or Rips Trades? I never remember my own name. See, now I know what you guys are talking. Rips Trades with an S. Rips Trades. That's where it is. Appreciate all you doing, Rips. The great thing about trading is when your community is winning, it won't hurt the others except for the broccoli-headed scammers not getting others, so it's funny. Yeah, sucks for them. Here, it's Hasten. No, this is the song you're looking for. With access to knockout options trading on CFD platforms, how there could be any reason to go for prop firms? What? What? You lost me. Props and tip of the cap, sir. So many people make money on their community because they cannot trade for shit. It's great seeing someone successful just trying to help others get to this level. Amen, brother. I mean, dude, it's weird because it's like, I was actually having a conversation with my wife about this, about like, people are like, oh, it's hustle culture or whatever. And I'm like, I don't know though. Is scamming people hustle culture? It doesn't feel like hustle culture when you're straight scamming people. Like Mamba FX, TJR, like these guys who legitimately do not trade real money and then feign like they're trading real money. That's fucking crazy, bro. That's absolutely fucking crazy. Here, let me see. Socials. Yeah, I agree. Dude, like those people will get theirs. Links, maybe? I don't know. Okay, there we go. Facebook.com/RipsTrades. And then, wait, is that right? Rips Trades on Facebook? Ah, there it is. Cool. And then, yeah, there you go. Instagram.com, Rips Trades. There you go. Dude, Mamba FX, he's so fucking full of shit. What do you mean? Like, dude, don't tell me you actually believe Mamba FX. He's the worst, bro. He's one of the worst. He literally trades paper and pretends it's real. Like, that's so fucking disingenuous, bro. That's fucked up. Yeah, he's super fake. And it's just, dude, and like, I can't stand the people that sell the dream to people who don't know, right? Like, you have to understand, I'm not joking about this, but like, one of the guys that came and detailed my car was asking me about trade because he's like, oh, what do you do? Like, I heard you're a trader and shit. I said, yeah. He's like, oh, have you ever heard of this Mamba FX guy? I was like, oh, dude, don't get me started on that guy. He's like, what do you mean? I'm like, dude, he's full of shit. He's like, wait, for real? How does he afford those cars? And I was like, because of the people that follow his shit. He's like, what do you mean, like follow his trades? I was like, all right, let me break this down for you. I gave him like, you know, talked to him for like 15 minutes about it. But that's the point of me even bringing that up is like, I'm explaining that because outside of our bubble of people who actually know, the common man sees somebody like Mamba FX, sees the cars, sees the bullshit, and they're like, oh, trading, bro, this guy's got it going on. Like, oh, I can pay $50 and like I can copy his trades. Like, let's fucking go. It's sad, man. It's sad. And like, nobody wants to hear the truth. Like yesterday during Globex, when I'm sitting here telling people, I'm like, yeah, when eventually you get to the point where you're gonna trade real funds, you're gonna eat shit and it's gonna feel like shit one of these days. Like, nobody's gonna tell you that shit because it doesn't sell anything, you know? It sucks. Used to be in his Discord a few years ago. I caught him in live. Which one? Who? Like, I'm not gonna sit here and shit on people because the answer is that like, if there's a public figure out there, 90% of them are dog shit. Mamba FX, damn. Yeah, dude, it's crazy. It's fucking crazy. Anybody, dude, by the way, anybody who lives in America that only trades FX or trades on CFDs and refuses to trade in futures, right? Like, think about it. If TJR could trade, why the fuck would TJR not trade on Alpha Futures, trade on Tradeify, trade on Lucid, all these prop firms that he promotes? Why the fuck hasn't he gotten one single payout from any of those firms? Gee, I wonder. Like, the fact that he can't even pass a prop firm and get a payout on prop firms. Every single one of these prop firms that's scrolling at the bottom of your screen, I've taken a payout from, right? Actually, I gotta change that. Boop, there you go. Every single one of these, I've gotten a payout from. And like anybody that you're watching, if they can't get payouts from the prop firms that they're talking about, like, what the fuck are you watching, dude? What are you watching? And I get it. Like, maybe you want to be around somebody who's like, hey, they're just like me. I haven't got a payout yet. They haven't got a payout yet. We're the same. Like, you're not going to learn a lot. That whole saying that you've heard before in your past, garbage in, garbage out, it's not true. Garbage in, garbage stays in. I fuck with PJ. I don't know who PJ is. Who's PJ? I don't know who PJ is. I don't, dude, here's the deal. Like, I have not been on much social media as far as like, dude, my life has improved so much. My mental state has improved so much ever since I stopped going on X. X was a cesspool for me last year because every single day I was consistently having to prove myself to people who were telling me that what I was doing was fake and a lie and all this bullshit. And it sucks. And it doesn't feel good because it was really hard what I did last year. Doing that all publicly, doing it all live, that was really, really fucking hard, right? That was extremely hard to do. And then to have every single night dealing with people like, hey, fuck you, blah, 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 blah. It's like, oh my God. Not having that in your frame is light years ahead of where I was last year. Life is so much better without socials. I mean, I like Instagram. Instagram's fun. Like, Instagram's fun. I enjoy it. I like doing my story on Instagram. I try to be active on Instagram. It's fun. I also like the shorts that we come out with. Like, my content team and I, we push out those shorts because I get DMs and replies about those shorts all the time. Like, hey man, like, I'm going through this right now. Or, hey man, this is really helpful. Or, oh man, I took the same setup. Or, like, it's helpful for people. And that's a good feedback loop versus like, you freaking shit, bro. Blah, 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 blah. You know? Bro, I really thought you were about to stop streaming last year because of it. I was, dude. I legitimately was. I literally was so over it. It was so fucking negative, the feedback loop, because I was like, man, I'm pushing myself so hard and like I was doing so well. And then like the feedback loop was like, fuck you, bro. I was like, oh, this sucks. That's not fun. Like, dude, imagine playing a tennis match and you're playing like at your home state or whatever. I don't know. Tennis doesn't have home teams, but imagine you're playing from your home country. And then like every single one of the fans, like you win the match, you crush it. And all the fans are like, you didn't even fucking play, bro. Fuck you, you suck. It's like, dude, you'd be like, fuck, that was boring. All right, we got something here. What's cooking? Okay, Germany said sanctions could be eased on Iran. But the reason why that spiked up was because, and came back down, sorry, the second part of that sentence matters. It spiked up because Germany, blah, 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 easing sanctions was what the algorithms read. But the whole sentence was Germany, nobody disagrees with Germany and the rest of the EU that sanctions could be eased on Iran. So again, we talk about this on the channel all the time where algorithms get the news incorrect. I use Bloomberg, BT. It's like playing for the Eagles and getting hit with a D-cell battery during a Christmas game. What the fuck? That's oddly specific. What's up, Mr. Hungus? How are you? Carl, is your middle name like Charles or Colt or Calhoun? Carl Calhoun Hungus? Because it'd be really dope if your name was Carl Chungus, like the C. We could just have Carl C. Hungus and we could just read it as Carl Chungus. That'd be dope if your middle name started with a C. Carlos. Doc says, my middle name is Charles. Dude, we got your nickname fixed. I can't believe SW changed it to Boner Banger Blaster or whatever the hell he changed it to. Can you believe that? What a filthy animal that guy is. Unbelievable SW did that. Unbelievable. Can you go over what you are trading on the tap dom book maps when using pitch and catch? Do you have a video on YouTube? Yes. Go on my YouTube channel. There's a whole playlist for pitching for trading strategy, and most of the trading strategy videos are about pitch and catch. Diego says 2 weeks in a row now. 2 weeks in a row getting a payout. Let's go Rips. Give it up for Diego, everybody. National, when are you going to come out to Vegas so we can do speed? I want to do it, buddy. Be epic. I'm stoked. Carlito. The Eagles comment. Are you in Philly, Kaz? How's your barbershops doing, by the way? How's Jeff's stock from yesterday doing? What was he in Beyond? Let me see. I mean, it's so hard to go even lower. Oh my God, and it did. Holy shit. Oh my God, Jeff, you're a legend. Holy shit. I'm like, it's so hard to go lower because it's sub-dollar, but they're quoting it in 4 fucking pennies now. Oh my God, they're doing a 4-character quote. Holy shit. You're down bad when they're quoting your stock in 4 characters and it's not over $1. Jeff. Oh my God. Jeff, you're the ledge. What a fucking ledge you are, brother. Holy shit. How do you do it? Fucking legend, brother. Oh my God. They're quoting it at 4 decimal places. Unbelievable. What's up, Mr. Fark? First weekend, fuck, I love this stream. I love you for being here, baby. Is it displayed P&L on funded seat? No, that's lightning funded. Say that every fucking time. I need to get that out of my brain. It is Tradeify. Tradeify lightning funded. Tradeify lightning funded. Bro, we are 71 subs away from 125,000 on YouTube. Holy shit, guys. That is insane. That is fucking insane. 125,000 subs on... Oh, by the way, look at this. Can you guys see this over here? Look at that. Look at that thing. And that's snazzy. Bang. It says Rips. And that's snazzy. How long have you been on YouTube? Just over 3 years. Just over 3 years. Thanks a lot for your advice. That time always stuck with me, and now everything has worked out. Let's fucking go, baby. It always does, man. Trust the big man. If your intentions are pure, always trust the big man, dude. I'm telling you. Good shit, brother. Proud of you. I'm in the UK, but I was just in Thailand for 6 weeks, in Switzerland in January, so I'm moving about right now. The shop is amazing. If you guys work for me, I do 2 days and trade the rest. Let's go, baby. How long have you been with her? Wait, where did I was just reading something from fucking... I don't know where that dude was just chatting with me. Would you consider adding funded seat to the channel points prizes? What else? What would you guys like to see? Alpha, funded seat. What else? What else would you guys like to see in the channel point store? We didn't pay the channel gambles, did we? 846. Fuck. Let me see. 846. We were trading. That's why we're doing the pitch and catch recap. 49 halves. Okay, it's the unders. Let's do one for 946. I'll do a 10-minute prediction for 946. We're gonna do the same spot. There you go. You seen AMD and Intel? No, they're not on my screens right now. Let me see. AMD juiced. Not bad, not bad. Did they do earnings? No, they didn't. Intel? Crazy. It's crazy, bro, because Intel was like the worst fucking trader stock of all time, and now it's finally coming alive, which is the weirdest thing ever. It's weird seeing Intel move. You don't understand. Intel earnings? When? Wait, what? When? Am I high on drugs? Oh, yeah, they did. Oh, shit. Okay, yeah, there you go. Derp. Wow. Oh my God. They fucking cracked off, dude. Jesus Christ. I wonder what their FLG was. Must have had some really strong FLG. We are pushing up here. Van der Lane. Something. They like the Iran ceasefire. Yeah, no shit. What's up, Devon? Is he reading the DOM important when using the pitch and catch? Yes, of course. Of course. F-16s were intercepted over the Baltic Sea by Polish forces. Russian F-16s. Chris, when you use the 10-second on NASDAQ, do you use the same for ES? Yeah, you can, again, time frames are relatable to what area of price you're trading. If you want to trade on a higher time frame, you can have a pitch and catch that lasts for a long period of time. It just depends on how much size you're going to trade, how many points you're looking for, etc. It's all relative. It's all relative to the trade. Sorry, Poland's F-16s intercepted Russian jets. Fault on that one, sorry. They don't have F-16s. I know that, sorry. I spoke it wrong. Poland's F-16s intercepted Russian jets over the Baltic Sea. There you go. Sorry. Should not say Russian F-16s. That would be fucking weird. Maybe it was some Su-27 flankers. Do they still use those? Does Russia still use Su-27s? Rips, I left a reply in the group. I don't think you've seen it, but I think a video of you going over order flow and level 2 would be fire, trying to understand. That's what we're going to do in the bookmap course. That's what we're going to be doing. I was wondering when Russia got F-16s. My bad. Dude, I can't believe they're still using Su-27s. That's insane. I wonder, does the U.S. actually still have F-14s at all that they're flying, like, actively? They can't, right? We sold those all to, like, Afghanistan and Iraq, and we got rid of all of those, right? Those things are gone. We sold to India? Wow. Dude, the F-14 was dope. I saw F-14s when I was younger. In Miramar. The real Top Gun. Those things were fucking badass, dude. They were so loud. God. Who here has been to an air show? Who here has like actually been to an air show and seen jets and shit? It's so fucking dope. If you've never been to an air show, you gotta go. It's so fucking fun. Miramar gang. Dude, Miramar Air Show was the shit back in the day. I don't know about it lately. They even still do the Miramar Air Show? The Miramar Air Show was fucking dope. They used to have the Blue Angels there. Blue Angels were what? F-16 Hornets? Pretty sure. Yeah, F-14s were dope, dude. The afterburners on those fucking things. F-14s were so loud, dude. So fucking dope. F-18s, yeah. What did I say? Didn't I say F-18s? What did I say? Did I say F-16 again? F-18s, right? Oops. F-18 Hornets. Derp. I'm retarded. Yeah. F-18s, that's right. Dude, fucking Blue Angels are dope as fuck. You know, that's one thing I've always wanted to do in my life that I've never done is do the backseat ride in the F-18 with the Blue Angels. Thunderbirds are F-16s. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. I've never seen in person. I've never seen the, what's the new one? The 22? F-22, right? Is the new one that we have out there? The new strategic fighter? A-10 Warthogs, those are fucking baller, bro. Oh, F-35. I've never seen the 22 or the 35, bro, in person. Those are so sick. I've only seen videos. I want to see one of those in person so bad, bro. Like, which one can fucking float? Is it the 35 or the 22 that can fucking just sit there and float, dude? It's the 35. Like, fucking insane, bro. Blue Angels trained in my hometown. Grew up watching them every day. That's fucking badass, brother. The 35 has VTOL. Got you. It's the 35. Yeah, VTOL. Fucking insane, bro. Ribs, why don't you park at Vegas Motor Speedway's parking lot and watch the F-22s take off at Nellis? It's a free air show. I didn't even know you could do that, bro. You know, it's funny. I almost took a picture of it, but when I was picking up my jeweler yesterday from the airport, dude, there was a fucking Jane airline flying in. I want to get a picture of one of those. It's the crazy, for anybody who's like, dude, I've always been, when I was younger, I wanted to be a fighter pilot, right? I've always been into aeronautics. I've always been in, I love air shows. I love planes. I love jets. Not in the autistic way, but pretty close. Dude, I fucking saw one of the Jane Airlines flying. It's the craziest thing if you are into aeronautics and you see a fucking commercial airliner flying without a tail number. It's fucking insane, dude. It's like your brain goes, dang. It's fucking crazy. I'm like, how? It's so fucking weird to see that. No tail number on that big of a fucking plane flying into an airport. You're like, what the fuck is that? How are they doing that? It's so fucking weird to see that. I wanted to take a picture of it, but by the time the shock left my brain, it was like it flew right over my Ferrari, dude. I had the top down. It was fucking beautiful. It was the coolest thing ever. I was like, this is so dope. And then I was like, fuck, I should have taken a video of that. Yeah, Janet, the Janet planes, dude. What did I say, Jane? Fucking retard. I have the Flight Radar app. Watch it all the time. That's crazy. That's awesome, man. That's fucking badass, baby. Dude, I did fly. I have flown before. I used to fly on simulators all the time. All the fucking time. Rips, you ever played DCS? What's DCS? Something combat system? Every high quality plane is insane. Dude, the problem is like, if I was ever gonna do a flight, I did flight simulators when I was younger. I've told the story on this stream before where I did the Sky Combat here in Vegas years and years ago. I have videos of it actually, but I'll find those and we'll talk about that one day on stream. We are coming down here, by the way. The open is in 2.5 minutes. Let's do the open, then we can go back to story time. Digital combat simulator. No, I've never done that before. Get you a ride with my friend Skip Scooter. Dude, hell yeah. That'd be fucking badass. Yeah, badass, dude. I would love to see the air show in Florida too, because it's so beautiful flying over the ocean like that. Do you have a live account? Nah, lost it in the war, brother. Oh, check hobby groups. Well, I don't even know what I'm going to trade, brother. I don't even know what the fuck I'm going to trade. Maybe we could trade alpha, I guess. I don't really want to, though. We had a great day. I'll just do some live calls, I guess. I'm happy with all of my trade. I want to go to the weekend with good feels, dude. That's what I'm looking for, baby. You guys ready? 1 minute here. About 1 minute. The whole time I'm going to try not to trade. Try not to trade. But we'll see. On the general consensus of the market right now, we are in an uptrend. We are holding this uptrend still. We're above VWAP. Google is going face down, ass up. Not that much, though. It's just in a tighter range. Yeah, Google is just in this tighter range. Microsoft, if we did break below 410, would be in trouble today. Meta, we need to reclaim 665-ish. Apple's in a good spot. I mean, we're looking like this thing can hold if we exchange lows, refresh some liquidity lower, and then, you know, take it to the house. We'll see. Anything could happen. It's Friday, baby. Mopex was last week, so we don't really have to worry about options expiring. Why does this song always get so dramatic, dude? You know what I want to hear is, what is it called? Yeah, this one. There we go. All right, here we go. Markets are open. Big fucking sell-off. Huge sell-off. Straight to VWAP. Straight to VWAP and bouncing. Let's see if we have continuation of the downside. Straight to the VWAP and a huge bounce. Very violent. 180. Oh my God. 25 handle bounce, 30 handle bounce. I don't have an absolute favorite prop firm. I would recommend go checking out the quiz on propfirms.gg and finding out what works for you. We are currently underneath 200s. Very violent open here. Extremely violent open. Google getting face fucked. What's up, Ribsmon? A lot of order matching going into the weekend. A lot of order matching here. S&P is still very, very weak. Point of control just moved back to 185. Pushing back up to 200 here. Rejecting underneath 200. Hard to trust. Hard to trust that rejection. Order matching is when you have orders that must be matched. Market on open, MOO. They're matching all the MOO orders. So the market makers make a lot of money doing that. They're trying to match participants with one another, and they can take as long as they want, really. But it's kind of a, you know, you're not going to, a market maker is not going to work with a firm for very long if they don't fill those orders very quickly. So MOO. Moo! Like a cow, like Leslie Farkas's farm. Moo! Did you ever work the moo desk, Leslie? Did you ever have any of your boys working the moo desk? Moo mock? Yeah, we're still dancing. This is what we've seen. Violence followed by some holding pressure. We're looking for the S&Ps to sweep lower here. We have not even come close to 7150. That would be a target that we want to watch there. Only prop side, bank capital, Chinese wall, and I did trade FX as a market maker. Nice. Oh, that must have been fun. Just wake up every day and just crack your knuckles. I was like, how many people am I gonna fuck today? Your dick should have fallen off with how much fucking you did. I'm curious what eval passing rate would make it worth it to buy straight to funded accounts. I mean, really, just, like, dude, just test it. Test it out. Try it, you know? There's no, like, gonna be perfect science around that. S&Ps are still weak, but they're holding the whole. I really want to see them trade 7150 first. We're still holding above VWAP. Under the advice of cancel, I cannot comment. That's funny. Retail is up. We can gonna be messy. Leverage positions are down. Yeah, we still have not entertained the liquidity down there at 7150. We are holding. We are currently just holding this bounce at VWAP right now. Google is really, well, Google, Microsoft. Amazon has recovered the flush. Apple is kind of falling back. Tesla is trying to recover from their shitty earnings call. Recovery would start above 387-ish. So you're looking at about 9-11 handles from here. S&Ps are very weak. NASDAQ showing strength. Strength in NVIDIA, Microsoft, and in Amazon right now. So huge bounce out the VWAP. Showing some strength down in the S&Ps. If Apple could start to bounce and recover, hold above 270, we'd start to see some price action higher here. We are above the 1 hour mid, watching for a pullback here, potentially to 30s on the NAS. Pull back to 30 there. Google still tremendously weak, holding 335 now. S&P showing some pressure to the downside. NVIDIA holding up the NASDAQ right now with 203 at a bid. Amazon holding 260.5. Google pressure down to 335 halves. Tesla reclaim at 377 right now, looking for a triple top reclaim. Ribs, I have to commend you on videos you did about how hard this journey is. Just speaking from my own experience, my friend. It's all I can talk about is my own experience. The problem is there's a lot of prop firm traders in this space that have never traded real money before, so they haven't really gone through that before, so they have no idea. Pressure underneath 230 in the NASDAQ here, holding some offers, very tight. Looking for an exchange below 200. I'm short right now, looking for an exchange below 200. Watching to see if we can have that holding an exchange below 200 here. Right now, currently holding 200s. Was looking for that little break to the downside. Watching here on this pushback up to 230. Right now, building towards 230. Watching here. Flush of 210s would get an ad from me. Watching 210s for a flush. Looking for that retracement back down through 200 now. Watching to see if we get that. Looking for that retracement through 200. Nice little flush back down. Back to a new point of control here, and we're out. Nice little fucking pitch and catch there. Retracing back underneath 230, gave us the added 220s, taking it all out at 205 there. Nice, nice, nice. Got to take what the market can give us. Yes, I want a flush of 200s, but I can't sit there and wait idly by for it to happen. I still think we will flush 200s, but I can't hold it because if we get a bounce to like 245, I'm in the red there. Are we supposed to hold you? Dude, I don't care. It's day 2 on alpha. We're crushing it right now. Not TBT. These are my alpha funded accounts. 150K advanced accounts. I have 3 of them because that's max allocation. We need to talk soon about all of that, but I will bring my attorney. Her name is Val Devine, VD for short. Nice. I think I've had my experience with VD. Hey, Rips, are you getting your futures level 2 data directly from Bookmap? Bookmap is using Rhythmic data, so I'm getting it from Rhythmic. When I trade my cash account, I'm getting it from CQG. Rips, are you on NQ or MQ? NQ. You can see the number of contracts that I'm trading. I'm trading 3 accounts, so divide by 3 if you want to see per position. Generally feel better having your stream open while I trade. Feels like I'm in an office. Yes, sir. That's what we do here. I want to give you that vibe of being on a real trading floor. What it's like. I mean, for active traders, it's very important to hear what the thoughts are of somebody who's been doing this for 12 years. Not saying I'm good at it, but hey, at least you have some idiot who's been doing this for 12 years. You need a vibe. What can I get for you, Pozo? What kind of vibe do you need? What's up, Brian? How are you? Woke up with a fever. Hope you feel better soon, brother. Day 2 on my top 750K XFA up $650 today. Locking it. Thanks, Rips. Have a great weekend. Great way to go to the weekend there. Give it up for Rattlesnake. Yes, indeed. Got up late. Hope you take a play, Rips, and made bank. Made 700 during Globex. Let's go, Straight G. My man. Excuse me. VWAP still holding strong here. VWAP still holding strong. The live thoughts while trading are absolute game changers, giving us the why and of the what the market is doing. Yes, that is the idea here. See, that's why we, by the way, holding and hoping at 200 there, even though I do believe that we will exchange below 200 at some point, it just doesn't make any sense when I'm scalping. People are like, oh, why would you take profit? Like, imagine, let's just say that price went here, right? I think we got out. Where did we go? Here? Yeah, so we got that pitch and catch right here to here. Let's imagine it goes bang, 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 and then it sends right down. I promise you there'd be somebody in chat being like, why didn't you hold it? Well, because this is always a possibility, and I'm just trying to get the points. Like, this is the trade. This is that little move right there is my trade. That's basically 225 down to 200 again, or 205. It's 20 points. You can make a lot of money in 20 points. That's all you're looking for, really. Right? Like, there's always going to be somebody, like, let's just say that we actually got the break of 200s there and it sails down. We get that huge break and somebody will be in chat. They'll be like, dude, why didn't you just hold that? It's like, well, that's not the way that I trade. I'm very scalpy. I'm a momentum driven. When the momentum dies out like it did right there, you got to exit your trades. Rips, how do you trade in ranges or balanced area? Could you give us some tips? I'm not a great range trader. I'm really not. I'm looking for rejections and extensions, reversals, momentum. I'm a momentum scalper. I use order flow to scalp momentum. If there's no momentum in the market and we're range bound, I'm not very good at trading it. Yeah, you can always reshort below 200 for sure. And you can always look for a break and retest, right? That's the other thing too, is let's just say that this does break 200. If you don't think that we're gonna retest back at some point, then you're crazy out of your mind. You're just crazy. Small pullback in NVIDIA, Microsoft still strong, Meta has found its way back up, and Google still holding above 335. We talked about 335 halves were the line in the sand for Google. They did hold that line in the sand. Apple is holding above 271 right now, and we did have a harsh rejection there on Tesla as it was trying to reclaim 380, but it's still going for it. Any issue with micro scalping on Alpha? Never. Never have I had an issue with anything on Alpha. I got paid out $21,000 for trading 5 days. I'm gonna go for it again. Today's day 2. Like, we're fucking juicing right now, brother. We are juicing. Remember, it's 5 days of $200 or more. We have 2 days right now and a total profit of $8,400 per account, brother. So wait, hold on. 8,400 times 3 plus, what is it? 3 more days would be 600 times 3 would be 1,800. So if I just did the bare minimum right now, I would get 13,500 out from these accounts. If I just did the bare minimum, if I fucking limped across the finish line, 3 more days of $200, I would get 13,500 to the bank, baby, from Alpha. How crazy is that, dude? I fucking love this shit. I'm back in the pocket, baby. Feels fucking great. Love it. So again, we hit our Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. Jared says, bang, just secured third max payout of the week on my Tradeify daily 50Ks. Let's go, give it up. Dude, remember, Tradeify has daily payouts, Funded Seed has daily payouts, TPT has daily payouts. Don't sleep on those platforms if you're looking for daily payouts. My favorite Funded Seed accounts are the 150K, one step, 50% dailies. Bro, 12 racks? Let's fucking go, baby. Who here took a payout? Actually, I want to poll you guys. I want to see. Did you get a payout this week? Wait, there's only one? Oops, sorry, I fucked that up. My bad. Let me do that again. Sorry. I fucked it up. There we go. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Testing 200 again. Did anybody catch that? We had a PNC right here. Wasn't even watching. That was beautiful. First 2K payout from Apex. Let's go, Scott. Hell yeah, Dan. Let's go, baby. Still 200 showing us trouble here. 200s cannot fail. Dude, we have so much fucking exciting shit coming down the pipeline. I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. We have so much cool shit coming down the pipe. Okay, so it looks like 32 people on Kick took a payout. How many people on? Only 52 votes on YouTube. Come on, guys. What the fuck? Can we hit likes at least on YouTube? Can we hit the like button? Unders won? Yeah, I think they did, huh? Yeah, let's say the unders won that one. They were close to getting booty blasted. Let's do another one, guys. Let's do another one. God, I'm in a great mood today. It's Friday, baby. I get to hang out with my internet friends in the morning. It's a fucking gift, dude. Life is a fucking gift, man. What a fucking treat it is. Let's do 5 minutes for this one. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 4 months trading 3. Holy shit, bro. Mr. Fark says 4 months trading, 3 payouts so far, only 25K accounts and 4K in payouts. Scalping book back just makes so much sense. Let's go. Give it up for Mr. Fark. Or the full name, Mr. Fark you too. Let's go, baby. On your feet, people. I get to take out my smoking hot wife on a date tonight in a car that the market paid for. Life is fucking great, baby. Thank you, Big Cub. Going to see the Gin Blossoms tonight with my wife. Nice. What's your favorite song? Herbs, how the fuck am I going to make $8 more to pass my loose 50K flex eval? Trade the micros, brother. The micros. The micros. Lisa says last month 14K, this month 0. Remember, the path in trading is never going to be linear. Understand what I'm saying. This is probably the best advice that I've given you all day. The path in trading will never be linear. If it was, I would have fucking 16 Ferraris in my garage. Like, I made enough money in a single trade. Well, it was multiple trades, but I made enough money in multiple trades in a single day, in a single session, to get that beautiful Ferrari that's in my garage right now. 4 weeks ago, however long ago that was. If trading was linear, I could just go beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. Fucking make millions more appear. It ain't linear. It's never going to be. Yeah, it was over 700K. Cat's out of the bag. All right, so it looks like we had basically between the two, let's see here. I'd say we probably had, what, 80%? Okay, so that'd be 18. We had about 70 of you folks that are watching right now that took payouts this week. That's fucking great. Yo, Don Burberry with the 5 gifted. Let's go. Carbon Fiber in the house. Teach Like a DJ says test. Are you looking for test? I know a guy. How many milligrams are you looking for a week? Are you like a 150 milligrams? 200? What are you looking for? Teach Like a DJ? What can I help you with, Playboy? Seeing if I got gifted? Gifted what? The gifts were in Kick, brother. Here. Kick.com. People are giving out gifts there. Kick.com/rips. They're all in Kick, brother. You're in the wrong chat. You're in the wrong chat, brother. Yo, Kicksters, say what up. Say what up, Kicksters. Look at that. Oh, look at that. They're so nice. They love you guys over on Kick, by the way. Big love, brother. How do you capture that extension or reversals of price? What do you look for before jumping in the trade? Order flow dynamics. Go back and watch the pitch and catch section of this stream. I go over what a primer is. I go over what the highs are, what you're looking for sweeping liquidity. I go over that whole thing. Oh my God. Fat guy did it again, guys. Oh my fucking God. Jiminy Christmas. Fat guy coming through. Fat guy got lost on the way to his trading desk. He said, yo, let me go hang out with these people. Thank you, Fat guy. You're the GOAT, brother. 25 gifted from Fat guy. What a fucking G you are, brother. On your feet, people. On your feet. Oh, my God. The applause will not stop. Unbelievable. You guys are crazy. You guys are out of your minds. We are going to be doing some giveaways today. I was thinking. It helps to think. I was thinking we give away accounts from Tradeify, Lucid, and max allocation at Alpha. Fuck. Should we do it? Should we do it? Should we do it? Dude, fucking A. Hockey Shane, good Lord. You guys are fucking insane, bro. Knock it off. Knock it off. You guys are fucking unbelievable. Knock it off. Hockey Shane in here with 25 gifted as well. I've been telling my fucking animators to figure out how to do a 25 gifted alert, because that's insane. You guys are fucking nuts. Thank you, Hockey Shane. Love you, pal. You're a fucking G, brother. Holy shit. There's nobody homeless in Kick anymore. It's unbelievable. You guys are insane. Nobody is homeless in Kick anymore. It's just pure mansions are lining the fucking the road right now. What's up, Lingle? Oh, Lingle! Check this out. Lingle, tell everybody in chat what happened to you today. Or yesterday, whenever it was. Watch for Lingle trades. Lingle, what happened? I want to show it. Lingle! Lingle! Waiting for Lingle. Lingle! Show it? Okay. Look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Setup arrived safe and sound. Lingle got his trading setup from Alpha Futures. Shout out Alpha Futures. Hook it up. Lingle. He got his trading setup. How fucking dope is that? Promises made, promises kept. How fucking cool is that, huh? Lingle with the fucking setup coming in hot. Unbelievable. We're gonna do another setup giveaway, guys. We're gonna do another trading setup giveaway in May. If you guys are down, if you guys aren't actually down to do that, we don't have to, but we could do it if you guys want to. Holy shit, you really did give away a computer. You guys thought I was full of shit on that one? Come on. Farkas, I'm giving you a Lamborghini tractor so you can have 2 of them now. Or maybe it's more than 2. We are coming down like a prom date in your lap right now. Look at this thing. Holy smokes. We did talk about 200 and what was the level of resistance. Rock skipping, throwing bumpies and all that shit. Oh my God. Knock it off. Knock it off. Papa Leslie in the building. Andre says, wow, that'd be crazy. Never seen anyone giving out computers. Welcome to the Rip Stream. People helping people, baby. That's just what we do around these parts. That's just how we fucking flow around here. London Open as a target. I think it's a good one. I would say probably the previous 4-hour mid first. Looking for that. 100s would be the trade. Anybody short for 200s right now? Dude, fucking hey, what a fucking beautiful market this is. Free laptop giveaways was a troll. Maybe, well, do you guys want to do a trading setup or a laptop giveaway this month? What would you guys prefer? I'll do anything. Fuck it. I love you guys. I love you guys too much. Some would say, I love them. Some would say it's too much. I think it's great. Two chicks at the same time? Same time of what? All right, we just rejected Asia's high right here. Holy. That is a fucking rejection. That is 30, 40 handles directly in the face. Oh my God. Trading setup and track time with Ripsy. You gonna bring your bike? Only if you bring your bike. Definitely bring the bike. It's on. What kind of bike are you riding nowadays, by the way? Soupy, I don't know if you could do a Harley on the track. I don't know if that would work. Might be a little bit awkward, brother.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs. The people that came in, they're eating the cats. They're eating the pets. of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country.
Market is flummoxing around here. That 200 area is a big line of price that we want to watch here. This news about to fucking my unders. We have the Michigan sentiment in 1 minute, everybody. 1 minute until the Michigan sentiment comes out. Be careful if you're trading on an account. Let me see if TPT calendar allows us. God, I gotta log in. Fuck. All right, let's see TPT if you allow this or not. Yep, you're good to go on TPT. You're good to go on TPT. You're fine. If you're in a trade in TPT, you're fine. TPT, you're just fine. Baron is short, you think so? On this bounce? You never know with that crazy character. Here we go. Just a few seconds here. Good luck. We're looking at a 50.1 for current conditions. Let's see. 1 year inflation, we're looking at 4.8. 49.8 versus a 50.1 estimate. No, versus 47.6. My bad. 5 year coming in at 3.5 versus 3.4, so a little bit hotter there. 49.8, the expectation was 48.5. That's the big one. 4.7 versus 4.8. So hotter in the 5 year, cooler in the 1 year. Kind of a mixed picture there. Not really an outlier print. Not really an outlier print, so who cares? Pass my lucid eval. Let's go, Krauk. Give it up for Krauk. Krauk. Kraukenfreugen. Kraukenspreugen. Let's go, baby. We are selling off pretty heavily here. Something about Iran foreign ministers, something. Waiting to see. It must have been some fucking fake news because we rejected super hard on that one. Reclaim the VWAP here. Coming out. Oh my God. Soupy did say he's going short at 165. That is your indicator, folks. Soupy short at 165. My God, we are tearing out of that thing like a bat out of hell. Thank you, Soupy, for the call out. Short at 165. Of course, we long that. Thank you, sir. Soupy's a goat, dude. Took that scalp short 200, took 170. Let's go, it's Zaro. Let's go. All right, back down we go here. 165 is being retested here. 165 is big retest at 165. Looking for that double bottom break below 71.45 perhaps. If we don't break that, this will be a big point of inference where this is the lower edge of this volume shelf. The other trade that you can be looking for here is, I was going to say, the rejection at 165 and the bump up. And as I'm saying it, gives us that complete bump up there. Building on one side here. Building on one side. Holding 71.45 off these lows. Microsoft is holding the rejection. There's the rejection. Something Fed Chair Powell probe. They're going to drop the criminal probe of Fed Chair Powell, apparently. DOJ expected to drop the Powell criminal probe. We're building above this shelf now at 55 in the S&Ps. If we do hold above that shelf, we would be exiting and testing 7160 here. Boring market. I think it's anything but. Anything but, sir. We got some redemptions to take care of today. Let me see if I can handle these. What do we have? 50K Lucid Flexes going out. We got a month of Clubhouse going out. What else we got here? Dragon D, how do I find you, sir? How do I find you for your Lucid Flex? Dragon D on Discord. Cool. There you are. Easy enough. Denonian, how do I find you? Everybody's here right now. There you go, Lucid Flex, 50K for you, Dragon E. A Fedster, where are you? Okay. What's your name? You're not in there already. What's your name on X? Noah Schwartz. Same name on X. Gotcha. Let me take care of Noah first, and then I got you, baby. Do 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 do. All right, Noah. Cool. Panonian. There you are. Was typing it in the wrong way. Hoopsie. Wow, we are rising like a loaf of bread out of the oven here. Unbelievable. All right, what am I missing here? A Fedster, where are you? A Fedster. Let me see if I can find you on Fedster. There you are. Got you. And you got a 50K Lucid Flex. Nice work, guys. Big claims today. 50K Lucid Flex. Everybody's getting fucking paid today. I love it. Fucking awesome, baby. Bang. I think that's everybody who redeemed channel points right now, right? Yeah. Black Sand Passer, Apex Eval, let's go, baby. Unders need to get paid? Sure. I got you. Sorry for being late on that. Let's see here. 188. Yep, that'll qualify. That will qualify. Let's do another one here. Do another big one. Get some big points in the pool here. That's a good price. 5 minutes for this one. Let's go. Get some big points in the pool. In the pool. Time to gamble it up, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Boop boo doo boo boo doo boo. Yeah, we're doing giveaways tonight, baby. Not tonight, rather. It's my tonight right now because this is my last stream of the day. I don't do any glowbacks tonight because there is no glowbacks. There is no glowbacks to trade tonight. Ain't nothing. Crash the market rips? How would you expect I could do such a thing? Especially during New York. That's impossible. With my size, fuck no. Impossible. Couldn't ever do that. No shot, brother. Not me. Not this guy. Everyone go over? Okay. What if it crashes though? Break out to the upside? Yeah, I mean, if you're long since 200, you're in a nice little treat here. Treat of a trade. It's a treat of a trade. You know? Great work. Just joined the channel. I have a 100K Lucid eval account. How much MNQ or NQ should I trade? You can get by with 5 to 10 MNQ. No problem. 5 to 10 is just fine. It is trying to break out of this triple top right now. Getting batted down and rejected here. We are currently in this range. This is a triple topping area underneath 250 right now. A breakout of this area would be tremendously strong. It's dancing around those 250s right now. Currently dancing. I'm gonna take this long right here for a breakout of those 250s, looking for 265 to trade. Big potential breakout here of this area. Into those 60s, 65 is trading, and we are out. Beautiful. Nice little scalp there to the upside. Breakout to 265 there off that. Nice little baby scalp there from 50 to 65. Everybody's betting the overs now. Be careful, be careful. Got a coupon code for Bookmap? I do. MC20 or RIPS. Troop says another great day for me every day this week. I've been done trading locked out by 10 a.m. 18,500 on the week. 5K of that is getting over the buffer. Best week of all time for me. Give it up for Troops in chat, ladies and gentlemen. Troops in chat. Bang. Pull back to 40s are holding here. Back up to 60s we go. Nice little pitch and catch there to the upside. If you caught it. Lovely, lovely move. Yeah, here, I'll drop the coupon code for you there in Kick. What a beautiful, beautiful trade that is and was. What a great week that is for Troops. I love to see it. I love to see everybody in here winning. It's amazing. Makes me so happy. What are we at right now? We are 46 followers, 46 subscribers on YouTube away from 125,000. Big harsh rejection there underneath 65, going back down here. Back to the midpoint in the S&Ps where it feels super uber duper comfortable. Super duper comfortable. Looking for a rejection here underneath 40s. Will we reject underneath 40s? Rejecting underneath 30s for the time being. Talking about they're not going to worry about reopening the Powell probe if it is warranted. Seeing if we hold this rejection underneath 40s right now, we are not. Cutting that trade quickly there. Looking for strength to build right around this 40 area again. See if we can get that strength to build right around these 40s. Nice build push up here. Can we get that to hold above 30s now? That would be the question. Since we are exchanging above 55 in the S&Ps, this thing can get a little rough and tumbly above. Looking for this to break out into those 50s again. Watching for that extension through 50s all the way up. Seeing if we can get that snap above those 50s there. Little pop above those 50s would give me exactly what I'm looking for. One little snack pop into the 50s and we got it. How about a pullback instead? Snap pop, there we go. Back into those 50s and we are juicing. Back in. Nice fill there at the 50s. Back above 258 there. Beautiful, beautiful extension back up to the north. In and out like my favorite hamburgers. Straight difficult, I mean. I seen your trades this morning. I must say, they seem quite difficult, sir. Pitch and catch there to the upside. Using 40s as our backstop straight up to 55 and 60. Locked up 5K on the week. Let's go. DVD 3616 in the building. You'll love to see it, champion. You'll love to see it. Koala says, lost my 2 top step accounts today. I was copy trading, but bagged 1,200 in my single 50K Tradeify going into the weekend with mixed feelings. I'll be able to take a Tradeify payout on Monday. Yo, that's legendary, brother. Tradeify payout on Monday coming to the bank. You'll love to see it. It's amazing. It's amazing what you folks are doing out here. Ribs, how do you trade this style before you could add that much to a position? What are you doing with micros? Micro machines. Macros. AK says, keep blowing accounts left and right. How many years are you into your journey, sir or ma'am? Four years? It's okay, man. It's all right. It's okay. It's difficult. Not in the good difficult. It's very troubling. Very tiring, trying. It's going to take time, my friend. It's going to take time. Sometimes we're out of sync with the market. Sometimes we're in sync with the market. Just takes time, my friend. Got to have patience and grace. Basen talking about possible swap lines. in the Middle East or Asia? I don't know who would be swapping with. I get that. I get funded, then blow them, trade. The micros can't get in the right mindset like I do when trading evals. It just takes time, dude. I would say next time you pass into a funded account, take a break. Blah, 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 something, something worse. Markets are again rejecting above 720s here. Nice clean price action in this range. Guy says, new trader here. I struggle with hesitating to enter at certain levels, waiting, needing more confirmation, which leads to chase behavior, late entries. Well, you know what the problem is. You should be trading one single setup, and the setup should be break and retest. That way you cannot be chasing price. You can only be trading confirmations. Break and retest, break and retest, break and retest. If you miss a trade, it's dead. It's over. What chart are you on? The NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures trading in all funded accounts today. Lightning funded accounts, funded seed funded accounts, and alpha funded accounts. My best set of following groups. So do not follow. Do not come. No, don't follow me. Instead, use me as confirmation that if you're looking at the same trade idea I am, maybe it works. BT. I always use BT. Philomath says, Rips, brother, you may have actually changed my life. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. Kasky says, I looked in the mirror last night and asked why I risked too much to lose Alpha and Apex PA accounts yesterday. I realized the PA yesterday set off dopamine, emotions took over, changed that today. Let's go. Nice reflection there. Leslie says, real pressure is self-imposed. You don't have to make money. You have to learn yourself first and execute. The money is the worst thing to focus on. Dude, that's what I always say too, is like, you guys would be doing a lot better off if you stop focusing on profit targets and rules when you're in the funded accounts. Instead, focus on taking really good trades. If you can take really good trades, you'll be far better off than being there like, I want to make X amount this week. I saw somebody online, they made 10,000. I should be able to make 10,000 with this account. I can make $10,000 this week. I got to push myself. Let me make 10,000 this week. Brother, the market might not give you a chance to make $10,000. You have no idea. You have absolutely no idea. Market could be dog shit and give you nothing for your trade style. It's not like that. Focus on taking really good trades, focusing on managing your own risk, focus on managing your own emotions, and you'll be further along than most people. What a dirty rejection. Yeah, those 20s are something else, huh? We still have not taken out the 1 hour mid, but we are bouncing at the point of control here. We are dancing around here looking to see if we're going to make a higher low. Higher low is going to be down there at 20s is the level to watch here. We did reject at these 40s, but there is a possibility of a breakout here. Pushing back down to 71.55. Volume is declining quite a bit here. Rejection at 20s would be a sight to behold. Google has found its way back home, back up to 338 here. Meta pulling back, Microsoft pulling back underneath the VWAP. '30s are holding, so, whoop, that did not work. Wow. I wasn't clicked in my window. I said 30s are holding, so we're going to long it here. I was trying to scalp there off 30s, but nope, too late. Missed it. Missed the trade. I had it in my lap and everything. Press the button, nothing happened. Classic. Classic Ripsy. Rips, we need to do a call-in. We could be the two old dudes on the Muppet show on the balcony preach. Yeah, man. I'd be love to have you on the show sometimes. It'd be funny. Fun and funny. I'd love to see a pull-down rejection here of 20s, since 20s have been holding this whole time. Given that we are kind of rejecting here at 40s, I'd love to see a pull-down rejection to a huge bid here. Let's see. Big pull-down here. A bit of a rejection. They are relaxing offers. Oh, we missed it. I needed it just a little bit deeper to qualify. That was the trade, though. Those back-to-back trades we missed. Son of a bitch. AMD is popping. Looking for that breakout of 40s now. See a pullback here. Amazon juicing as well. Still rejecting 40s. We are still dancing here. Quite range bound. Seeing if we have a break below and a retest, that'd be lovely. Taking this long here. I want to use 15s as a backstop. So in the longs here. Watching 15s as our backstop. Looking for the auction to come back to 40s. $15s are nice there. A little bit of a hold here. 15s are playing nicely. Looking for this continuation above 30s now. Watching for that push back over 30s. Point of control move back to the 20s here. Loading up on 15s. Wow. Massive dump there at 15s. Holy shit. Was not expecting that dump. Still holding. That is a massive dump at 15s. Was not expecting that at all. Out. Damn. Son of a bitch. Was not expecting that at 15s. Was expecting a huge hold at 15s. That was a huge rejection of the point of control of the S&Ps there. Son of a bitch. Oh no, Soupy was long. No, fuck. You were long. Fuck, how did I miss that? Holy shit. Soupy was fucking long. Dude, no fucking way I missed that. Why did I not see that? Bro, you need to spam chat. Why did nobody give me the fucking Soupy indicator? Fuck. 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 I was not even looking at fucking... Dude, I was not even looking at fucking chat. God damn it. You guys need to be fucking spamming. I need to see chat like fucking spamming. That was fucking insane, dude. Holy shit. That's insane, bro. I can't believe we missed that. How did we miss that, dude? Fuck! Why did nobody tell me? I swear to God, I would have fucking got out immediately. I would have got out fucking immediately, bro. Like, immediately. That's so fucked. Fuck! God, dude, I'm not even joking. That's so fucked, bro. Holy shit. Bro, I don't know why you guys aren't spamming. Fuck. That's so fucked, bro. How are you guys not spamming that shit? For real, for real. You guys let me down. Fuck. Dude, that's so fucked. That's so fucked, dude. That's so fucking fucked, bro. I literally would have fucking literally immediately went short. Nobody was spamming that to me. And I see, like, he literally said it. He said he was longing. Bro, I will never, ever, ever, ever join Soupy in a trade. I will only fade Soupy. That's so fucked, bro. That is so fucked. God damn it, bro. God fucking damn it, bro. God fucking damn it, bro. I'm not even joking. That's so fucked. Dude, that's so fucking fucked. Why did nobody fucking light up chat and spam that, dude? Fuck. Where, dude? Literally, he said, dude, what the fuck? How did I miss that? Fuck, somebody fucking, dude. I'm not joking. He fucking did it, dude. Look at this shit, bro. I'm not fucking with you guys. He fucking did it. I'm so fucking retarded that I missed that. Literally, he goes long from 220. Oh no, don't do it. Don't fade me. Yeah, of course I'm gonna fucking fade you if I read that. Long from 220. Fuck! 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 God, dude. Fuck! I don't know how to make it. Dude, I didn't have his fucking chat separated from the rest today. Oh my God, dude. I'm so fucking retarded. Oh my God. I didn't even want to keep trading for the rest of the day either. I'm so fucking retarded. I'm so fucking pissed right now, dude. He's literally the worst fucking trader I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit, how did I not see that? God! I'm so fucking mad at myself. I could have been up so much fucking money. I'm so fucking mad at myself, bro. How do I not fucking see that? Bro, you got, okay, make me a promise. Make me a promise, please. Make me a promise. If you guys ever see him making a call out, literally light the fucking chat up and spam it. Like, I was focused on watching the order flow, obviously reading it like a dumbass. Fucking A, bro. Bro, if the chat starts spamming, I would see the fucking flashing of the chat. It wasn't moving at all, bro. If it starts spamming, I'm gonna fucking see it, bro. That's so fucked, dude. It's the easiest fucking fade on planet fucking Earth, brother. It's literally the easiest fucking fade on planet fucking Earth, bro. I'm not even joshing with you, bro. It's unfucking believable, brother. God, I'm so fucking pissed, bro. I'm so fucking pissed, bro. Easiest fucking setup of my fucking life, bro. God fucking damn it. I'm so mad right now. What a fucking joke. God. Easiest fucking setup of my life, bro. And I fucking blow it. Dude, you don't understand. I've faded him all week and I've made tens of thousands of dollars fading this guy. It's not Soupy's fault. He's an indicator, bro. He's like, I literally would pay $10,000 a week to have this guy in my chat giving me fucking indicators, bro. I swear to God. You don't understand. Like, it's a gift from the market fucking gods, bro. And it's like when I'm not reading the market well, like I wasn't there, it's a fucking gift from the market gods, bro. You don't even get it. Like, it's a fucking gift, bro. The guy is literally the worst fucking call. Like, if he's long, all you need to do is short. It's like that fucking simple, bro. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you, it's so fucking easy to win if you just fade this guy. It's unbelievable, bro. Soupy's long, right? Why do you feel bad for him? He knows his place, bro. He knows his fucking place, trust me. Oh, great. That's fucking not copying. God damn it. I hate fucking Trader Mate, dude. Not copying, of course. Now I'm on fucking monkey tilt. Okay. Thanks. I hate it. Soupy, you put me on tilt, brother. I'm on complete and total tilt because of Soupy now. How do you manage tilt? Just full port everything. I'm so fucking bummed, bro. I'm so fucking bummed. Fucking Soupy, bro. Oh, God. Fucking Soupy, bro. Thank you, Leslie. I'm so God, dude. It's like the easiest fucking trade of my life. Easiest fucking trade of my life, dude. Wait, did he do it again? Where did he say he was short 180? You guys are not helping me, dude. Where did he say he was short 180? Where did he say he was short 180? Where the fuck did he say he was short 180, bro? You guys are fucking trolling me now. You guys are fucking trolling me now. Oh, God. I'm on monkey tilt, bro. Complete monkey tilt. Soupy sent me, dude. I was having a great fucking... I was going to the weekend with good vibes and everything. Unders? All right. Damn, Soupy ruined my whole fucking weekend now. Straight up. Straight up. He ruined my whole fucking weekend, bro. Fucking tragedy. Fucking Soupy, bro. Oh, God, all I had to do was fucking just look at my fucking chat, dude. Oh, fuck my life, dude. Fuck my life. Fucking hell. What am I gonna do? Oh. How do I recover from this financially? What do I do? What do I do, guys? Soupy, I need a call, brother. I need a call. I need a call, brother. Need a call, homie. I need that call, brother. Tell me you're gonna go short. Just say short. You're long from 220. Okay. All right, let's do this. Let's make sure our copy group gets selected this time. Let's do it. Fuck. Okay, hurry. Fuck. I hope we didn't fucking lose this trade. Oh, fuck. Okay. We're in. Soupy said he's long from 220. We're in. Okay, just focus up, champs. Focus up. We got this. Maybe this will redeem Soupy right here. I'm telling you right now, this will redeem everything that Soupy did to me today. All we need is 170 and 3/4. 170 and 3/4, and we got this. Soupy. You got this, Soupy. Come on, baby. You got this. Dude, our entry should have been up here. We would have been out of this trade already. Our entry should have been up there. Oh, God. God damn it. I missed the trade, bro. I missed the trade. We would have got it if we were from here to here. I was too late on fucking putting the trade on. God. Fuck. Fuck. Dude, it's when he made the call. I should have got it. I should have fucking waited. I should have waited for his next call because he probably would have said short down here at 185. That was on me that time. I don't blame Subi for that one. That one's on me. Fuck, dude. Fuck. Right trade, wrong time. Dude, I was too late to the fucking trade. I was too late to the fucking trade. That's all it was. Too late to the fucking trade. God damn it. Yeah, Subi fucked us again. You're not wrong. Good comms, good comms. Still got time to go long again. Okay. I think we're setting up for a short then. If you say still got time to go long, I think we can set up for a short. I think we got time for a Subi short. I'm not kidding. I think we got time. I think we missed it already. Fuck. We already missed it. There's no way. I think we already missed it, dude. I think we already missed it, bro. All right. I think we might have missed it, but let's try it. He said there's still time to go long. Okay, there we go. We're in. Give it to me, Soupy. Give me the fucking goods, baby. Give me the fucking goods. He said there's still time to go long. There's no way Soupy fucks me 5 times today, right? There's no way. There's just no shot. There's no shot that he fucks me 5 times today. There's no fucking way. No shot, brother. How did we get 34 as an entry, by the way? What a fucking bag of asses on the entry. He's saying no chance. That's giving me a lot of, like, I have a lot of faith now. If you're saying no chance. Oh. Oh! Soupy! Soupy! Soupy, give it to me! Soupy, please! Please, Soupy! Give it to me! God, give me the goods. No, 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 no. Please, just let me have the soup. Give me the soup! Yes, give me the soup! Break it down! Break it down! Give me the fucking soup! Give me the soup! No! That's the wrong way! Wait for it. Wait for it. Hold on. Wait. Fucking go, Soupy! Soup! No! Come on! Just fucking do it! Give me the soup. Give me the fucking delicious soup. Give me the potato baked soup. Fucking go! Just stop hesitating and fucking go! Yes! Drive, bitch! Drive! Go! Drive lower! Yes! Oh my god, it's working! Soupy! Please! Yes! Fucking give me the best calls in America! No! Not like that! No, don't rip my dick off. Please, don't rip my dick off. Fuck! Oh god, it was so promising for a moment. It was so promising. No, it's all over. It's all over. We're fucked. We're fucked. Wait, we might not be. Ah! Ah, come on, Soupy, please. Don't fuck us. Nope, we're fucked. It's over. The dream is over. Dream's over.
The dream is dead. Yeah, Nvidia's popping. We're dead. It's over. It's all over. It's a fucking dead in the water trade. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold the phone. 40s died. No, fuck. We're fucked. We're so fucked. We're so fucked. God damn it. Ah.
He fucked up.
Soupy, 3 times you fucked us. Fuck. Soupy. Guys, what should we do with this guy? Look at this guy. Rips, I DM you on Insta. Redeem the 50K Lucid and calm down and stop tilting. If you think this is fucking tilt because I'm fucking blowing evaluation accounts, tell you what I'm going to do. Here, suck my fucking dick on your redeem, you dumb bitch. Here, how about this? Here, let's find your fucking redemption. Where is it? Oh, 50K Lucid Flex in the trash. Good night, bitch. Suck my dick on your way out, pussy. You think this is tilt? I'll show you fucking tilt, you dumb bitch. Suck my dick. No fucking account for you, dumb bitch. You fucking ungrateful cock gobbler. Suck my dick. You cannot redeem. You cannot redeem. Now you cannot redeem. Ah! Telling me not to tilt? Brother, these are evaluation accounts. I'll spend my money exactly how I want to.
Here we go again.
Ah! Nothing for you now! You get nothing! Nothing! What a retard. What a retard that guy is. Now you get nothing. You ungrateful piece of shit. Oh, God. I can't believe the day that we decided to fade Soupy was the day that he actually got it right. That's unbelievable. Look at it. He says, fuck that account, man. Ha 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 ha. Ugly ass bitch. Are you gay or something? Do you like other men? Are you rating my appearance? Brother, I'm not gonna suck your dick. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna suck your dick, and I frankly don't care what you would think of my personal appearance, you cocksmoker. Ah, look at it. He said, fuck you, man. You know what's funny is, like, I was joking the whole time I was gonna send you the account anyway. I was making a bit. Now you're fucking talking that shit. Suck my actual dick, you fucking loser. Here, tell you what. Suck my dick on the way out. You're banned, bitch. You're so fucking retarded. Get the fuck out of here, you dumb cock shit. Fucking retards in chat today. Unbelievable. What a fucking ungrateful actual piece of shit. Now you're gone for real. Unbelievable, brother. Unbelievable. Now you're actually gone. Sucks for you. What a fucking retard you are. Can you believe there's actual people in the world like that? Can you believe that? Hey, Soupy, do you want his account that he redeemed? I'll give it to you. Do you want it, Soupy? What a dumb piece of shit that guy is. Unbelievable. Soupy, I got an account for you, brother. I got an account for you, brother. Oh, baby, do I ever. Guys, what do you think? What do you think about this? What do you guys think about this guy? Get cancer and die, bro. I thought you were a good person. Huh? Are you okay, brother? Are you okay? Let's see this guy's profile. Jesus Christ, I've seen some bad work in my life, but bro, I haven't even hired you. I literally haven't even hired you, but how do I fire you for doing such shitty work? I haven't even hired you. How the fuck do I fire you? Look at this shitty work. Holy shit, bro. Are you blind? Are you actually blind, brother? What the fuck is this tile work? How do I fucking book a cancellation with your shitty company? Oh my God, what part of the what part of the fourth world do you live in, you broke piece of shit? Jesus Christ, bro. Do you book cancellations by any chance with your shitty work? By the way, guys, if you never want to book shitty work in your life, never book this fucking pile of shit. Look at this fucking pile of shit. Professional in your fucking shit? Take that out immediately, bro. You suck dick at whatever your fucking profession is. Is your profession blowing dicks? Because it sounds like it is. You suck dick at your profession. Oh, he's permabanned. Don't worry. Oh, he's permabanned, brother. What a fucking ungrateful piece of shit that guy is. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, God. What is wrong with people? What is wrong with people? Unbelievable, huh? Oh, look, we found his alt. Guys, we found his alt. Guys, look it, we found his alt. He came in, he made another account on Kick. Look at it. The guy spent hours in the chat supporting you. He had every right to be there. He fully deserved his account. This is so low, ridiculous, and immature. I hope everyone saw and understood what you did. Let's clip this. Not happy enough about losing so many accounts this morning that you have to take it out on a guy who did nothing. And now you're exposing his real-life job, which is doxing. I'll report this to Kick. And now, this guy spent hours in the chat supporting. How you doing there, buddy? Make another account. Make another account and say some other dumb shit. Drop a W in chat if you want that guy to suck a dick. Drop a W in chat if you'd like to see that guy sucking a fucking cock. Can't make it up. You're not welcome here. Get the fuck out. We don't want your kind in here. All right, who else? Who wants this guy? Actually, you know what? In light of that guy, I'm going to give out five lucid accounts right now in light of that guy because he's such a piece of shit. That invigorates me to give you guys 5 lucid accounts. I'm going to give out some Tradeify accounts, and I'm going to give full allocation on Alpha. So we can all thank that dipshit, not only for being really bad at laying tile and being dog shit at his profession, but we can thank him for being such a pile of shit that we fucking have accounts to give away. How about that?
Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. All right. Ribspot, if you would drop the link for Lucid, please. Drop the link for Lucid. That felt really good, actually. Taking that account away from that fucking loser. That felt really good. That actually made me feel great. I'm going to have a great weekend again. I'm going to have a great fucking weekend again. Okay, let's see here. All right, click that link. I love you, RJ. Fucking hilarious. People are fucking hilarious. Guy claims a fucking thing and starts talking shit. Oh, yeah. Like I can't undo that thing. What the fuck is wrong with people? Yeah, gee, I don't know the guy who can undo that thing. Yeah, I don't know who could ever undo that thing. Let's talk shit to that guy. Dude, that guy immediately turned, telling me that I hope I have cancer. Yeah, real nice. And then you got exposed. Yo, Papa Leslie in the building. Another 5 gifted. Coming in hot, baby. By the way, I will say this. If it bothers you seeing me blow evaluation accounts, then you're watching the wrong channel, my friends. You're literally watching the wrong channel. If you get viscerally upset about me blowing evaluation accounts, I advise you to watch another channel, please. 5 gifted there from TJ. Please, please, please watch another channel. And then ask yourself a question. Why does it bother you what I'm doing with my money? Get your fucking paper up, bitch, and stop laying shitty tile. Stop laying shitty tile and get your fucking paper up. So when Streamer Man takes away your free account, you don't wish that they have cancer. Just saying, hey, if it makes you so viscerally upset that you're wishing cancer upon somebody because Mr. Streamer Man took away your free account, maybe it's time to find a new profession. Get your fucking paper up, you dumb bitch. Fuck you. Get your fucking paper up, pussy. All right, let's see here. All right. On the Lucid page, step 4, it says earn blank. Type in that word. Earn blank. Earn blank. This is my first time here and I think I'm home. Welcome, sir. Welcome. If you don't have your followers waiting in the bushes to wish cancer upon you, I think you're doing it wrong. I'm just saying. I think you might be doing it wrong if you don't have your followers ready to wish that you have cancer. I hope you die of cancer. You took away my $50. I was watching you for hours and suffering through it. Do we think he was suffering through that? I feel like he wasn't a real fan. I think he was suffering through watching. I think he was suffering through watching. What do you guys feel about that? You think he was suffering through it? I think he was suffering through it a little bit. I don't think he actually enjoyed the stream. I'm just gonna put that out there. I don't think he actually enjoyed watching the stream. I don't think he actually enjoyed it, guys. I don't even, how long was he here? I didn't even look. You're playing the world's smallest violin. Thoughts and prayers out for our friend. Thoughts and prayers. All right, everybody, here we go. First winner is... Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Dude, it's so funny too. Demanding a free account. Demanding a free account. What a dumb piece of shit that guy is. Demanding a free account. Who the fuck are you? Stop everything. I've claimed an account. Give it to me. I've claimed an account. You owe it to me now. Give it to me. Arbel. Arbel. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter? I got an account for you, baby. I want to give out some big ones, actually. Let's give out some Lucid Pros. Arbel, there you are. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, baby? Again, thank that dipshit for the giveaways, by the way. I don't even remember their name, but thank that dipshit for the giveaways. I'm giving out expensive accounts today. Expensive accounts. I got you. All right, is that after the baseball player? No, that's Belliard. Who am I thinking of? On Instagram, perfect. Gotcha, baby. How does a 50K Pro sound? Those are expensive. How much do those cost? Let me see. How much is a 50K Pro? Let me see. Okay, 50K Pro is 129. Lucid Flex with my discount is 98. Yeah, let's do the 50K Pro, or 50K Pro is a $130 account. That guy claimed a 50K Lucid Flex, so I want to shit on that guy, right? I want to shit on that fucking guy's face. Let's give out more expensive accounts than whatever that dipshit claimed, you know? That's how I feel about things. So Lucid Pro 50K. We got to go more expensive than whatever that dipshit claimed to just rub it in his fucking face, you know what I mean? Like just really drive the point home. Lucid Pro 50K, bang. Bang, there you go. All right, let's do another Lucid Pro 50K account. I really want somebody to fucking crush on these things. I'm dragging my nuts across that clown's face. Because he only claimed a 50K Lucid Flex, that's $100. These are $140. Fuck the tile man. Fuck that tile man. Can't even lay it straight. Maybe that's why he was worried about. If his tile isn't even straight, is his sexual preference even straight? Maybe that's why he's worried about how ugly I am. Is that what it was? He's like, I can't lay tiles straight. It's like my sexual preferences. Automate! Automate, come on down! He did create one new account. Automate, talk to me. What is your name here on Instagram or Twitter, please? Got you. Wait, did you spell that right or no? He might have spelled that wrong. Oop, I think he might have spelled that wrong. Is he overs? I'll pay it in a second here. Here, let me try to. I don't think you spelled it right, brother. Automate, I don't think you spelled that right. Try it again. Imagine he made a new one and won the giveaway. Nah. Not on my watch, buddy. Okay, I think you spelled it right there. Not on my watch, pal. You guys are diabolical. I wouldn't even think of that. He makes another account, wins the giveaway. No fucking shot, brother. No fucking shot. All right, is a Lucid Pro okay? I'm going for expensive ones. Is that okay, Lucid Pro? 50K for you? Let's do that, huh? Let's give out the expensive shit. Let's give out the top shelf. Lucid Pro 50K. Bang. Let's give out that top shelf shit. Next winner. Bang! MacD, another kickster. Let's go. You only have to enter one time. It's good. MacD, what do we got, baby? How do I find you, sir? Oh yeah, 3-inch putts. It's you. You've won a lot of giveaways, bro. Give it up for MacD winning a fuck ton of giveaways in here. Oh yeah, it's on Instagram. That's right. What a fucking G you are. Getting that name on Instagram. Oh, I got you, baby. Don't worry about it. Lucid Pro is what we're giving out, right? Yeah, Lucid Pro. There you go, player. Somebody asked, how do I redeem? Hold on one second. Let's see. Mr. Marco 8. What is your name on Instagram or Twitter? When the day is time to get you. Oh, look it. Your chat history is not wishing me cancer. How weird is that? 50K Lucid Flex for you, sir. No problem. No fucking problem, brother. Mr. Marco 8. Please drop in your username on Instagram or on X. I want to give you this account right now. It's so crazy that he didn't wish that I have cancer. How very strange. Huh. Mr. Marco, are you sure you don't want to wish me to have cancer? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Still waiting for you to pop up here in chat, Mr. Marco. All right, should we go back to the giveaway, Mr. Marco? Wait, hold on, there you go. Hey, I found you. My man, there you go. Beautiful. Let's find you here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Have we ever chatted before? Oh, we have chatted before. You said on Instagram here, you said, hey, bro, I hope you die of cancer one day. What? Oh, no. No, I'm kidding. That is fucking diabolical, brother. That is fucking next level. You gotta be down fucking bad. I wish Mr. Streamer Man would get cancer. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. All right. There you go, brother. I sent you a DM. Anybody else have anything to redeem while I'm here? Or we'll go back to the giveaway. Happy to, I got it. Listen, I got all the time in the world right now. If you have something to redeem, I'm happy to send it your way. Do you have, anybody have anything to redeem? Does anybody have anything to redeem here? Huh. You know, I feel like there was some guy that was laying towel that had something to redeem. Anybody remember that? It's like slipping my mind. Wasn't there a guy that had like, he was like laying towel for the living and he had something to redeem? No, probably not. No, probably not. No, I'm tripping. Probably not, huh? No, probably not. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think he had anything to redeem. All right, back to the giveaway. Let's go. Yeah, I don't think he had anything to redeem. No. I'm tripping. I'm just thinking of, yeah. I forget how ass bitches. I hope you get pink eye. You hang around Carlos's mom for long enough, you definitely do get pink eye. It's a fact, brother. Soupy, what can I get you for an account? You still haven't answered me, brother. I need to get you an account, brother. Upgraded! Making shit up, Rose, and never happened. Holy shit. Dude, Soupy, I'm not joking. I want to give you an account. I'm not fucking kidding around, like, at all. Like, I really want to give you an account. Okay, gotcha. On X. You're welcome, brother. He said thank you. That's so nice. Give it up. For upgraded. Soupy, how do I find you? Wait, what'd you say? I'd like to try funded seat. That's not gonna be till next week. Do you want to wait until next week? I'm not joking. I will 100%. I'm giving you an account, bro. You're such a good sport. By the way, guys, can we honestly, no bullshit aside, can we drop a W for chat for Soupy? Because, like, you guys know, like, I'm fucking around the whole fucking time. And like, I pick people to be my punch man. Soupy, Lido, like, Richard Harris. Like, I'm fucking joking around. And if you can take it, you're a good fucking sport. Soupy, I'm giving you an account for free 100% of the time. If you want to wait for a funded seat next week, I'll get you a funded seat next week. Or I'm happy to give you an account right now. But the people love you for being a good sport. I appreciate you so much. You'll wait. Okay, cool. Guys, do not let me forget. I owe Soupy a funded seat account for next week, okay? I owe him a funded seat account. You know what? Fuck this. I'm going to try to get you full allocation. How does that sound? I'm going to try to get you full allocation, not just one account. I'm going to try to get you full allocation. That's what I'm going to do for you, man. God bless. All right, let me get this account out to... But yeah, dude, thank you so much for being such a good sport. You make the show fun, man. It's people like you that know, like, you get it. Like, I love that, man. You keep the show nice. It's fun, man. We have a good time, so I appreciate you very much, brother. Fucking awesome. All right, let me get your account here upgraded. Then we're spinning again. We're spinning it right back, baby. All right, Lucid Pro for you. Bang. All right, one more, and then we're going to move on to Tradeify. Bang. Last 50K Pro going out to somebody lucky here. TJ Cly says, where do you get all these accounts to give out? Where do you get all these accounts to give out? There's this thing, I think it's called money, or I don't, it's like some, it's a currency, or what do they call this thing? It's like, what do they call this shit? Worthless paper, that's what it is. Yes, that's where it comes from. That's what it is. That's what it is. Ray Williams in the house. Where do you get all these accounts from? Carlos's mom does provide, because sometimes she does the solid of paying me for servicing her. Ray Williams slept on an account. No, not like this, Ray Williams. All right, guys, the market clock is in the chat box window right there. You see how it says 11:13? See how it says 11:13? Oh, wait, hold on. They're here. They're very late. Should we give it to him? He's right here. I say we got to give it to him. Let's give it to him, guys. We've been so supportive of each other today. Let's give it to him, yeah? Let's give it to him. Let's give it to him. Ray Williams, how do I find you? Rips Look at Market. I see it. It's on every single one of my screens. Yeah, Ray Williams, I need your username. You're watching, guys. If your market clock is not synced to my market clock, watch the stream at 2x speed, please. You guys are all like fucking 2 minutes behind right now. It's been very family friendly show today. You're telling me. It's always a family-friendly show when we bring Carlos's mom on. Believe me. Ray Williams, I'm going to need your username on Instagram or Twitter, please. That's how we get these giveaways to you. I can't guess. I'm usually a good guesser with usernames, but sometimes I just can't figure it out. Degenerados. Degenerados. Boom, boo-doo-doo-doo, boo-doo-doo-doo. Can't believe that degenerate said that to you, Rips. Wow. I mean, you know, some people are just... I don't know, man. I don't know how you'd ever get to that point in life. I really don't. Ray Williams, everybody's trying to be nice to you here. Come on, please don't let our kindness go unnoticed. We're really trying to get you an account here, brother. Oh yeah, Jeff, you're one of the other punching bags. Jeff, I get you an account next week. How's that sound? I sent you a DM. It doesn't help either. I have thousands of unread DMs, so. Okay, here we go. See if that is on X. Nope. Gonna check on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna send you a message. Gotcha. I found you. All right, last Lucid Pro is going to you, sir. Now it's time for Tradeify. I'm gonna give you guys a new keyword for Tradeify. Let me just make sure that he gets his account here. All right, here we go. Lucid Pro 50K. Bang, bang. There you go. All right. We're doing a new keyword, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is what we're doing. A brand new keyword here. A brand new keyword. Somebody said, look at the market. I see it. Soupy was right today. That's why he's going to get full allocation on funded so he can get daily payouts. You're goddamn right he is. All right, let's do this. If you won an account on Lucid, you can still win another one on Tradeify. That's how we do it around here. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, it's all NVIDIA. It is all NVIDIA. 100%. It's all NVIDIA. Okay. Click that link. Do you know bola de pote, like cake in a jar? What kind of question is that? Do I know cake in a jar? The fuck is cake in a jar? Fuck is cake in a jar, brother? You guys are so funny. Ah! Oh man, you guys are so funny. All right, scroll down on that Tradeify page, please. This one's going to be very easy. All right. Scroll down where it says, get the plan that fits your style. End of day drawdown, no activation fees, 60-minute payouts. The accounts that I'm trading on the second bullet point, 1, 2, 3, fourth word. Second bullet point of the accounts that I traded right here. Fourth word in the second bullet point of the accounts that I'm trading right here. See if you guys can figure this out. Second bullet point, fourth word. You guys are fast. All right, guys. This is going to be for, what do I want to give out? Something expensive, just because that guy sucks so much dick. Let me see. Let's give away a 150K select account, a 150K growth account. Or no, we'll start with 50K growth, and then we'll do a 150K select, and then a 50K lightning funded. Bang. We're going up in value. All right? How's that sound? Fuck it. It's Friday, baby. We're about to have a fucking great weekend. All right, first account we're giving out here, champs. First account is going to be a 50K growth. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 50K growth coming out first. 50K growth, then a 150K select, and then a 50K lightning funded. Holy shit, we're doing it. We're doing it, folks. We're doing it. Here we go. Slacker 2084, you are the winner of a 50K growth account. 50K growth account coming your way, sir. If you'd like it, I got it. I got what you need, baby. Come on down. Come on down, baby. Let's see. Dude, some people are watching the stream at such a delay. Got you. All right, let's see. See if we can find you. See if we can find you here. Boom, 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 boom. Do 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 do. Do you follow me? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. All right, 50K growth coming your way, baby. This is on Tradeify. Tradeify. Bang. There you go. All right, the next winner, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. People are asking, how do you get in the giveaway? You type in the word instantly. That's it. Type it in one single time. The next giveaway is for a 150K select account. And then the grand prize of the day is going to be a 50K lightning funded. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. 150K select coming up next. MMTTH5AY. How do we even say that name? How do we even say that name, by the way? Any plans for the weekend? 2 comedy shows, 2 dates with my wife, a little bit of shopping, the usual. Why? Oh my God, they're not gonna claim it. They're not gonna claim it. No. No. Showing off the new bling, yeah. Being ridiculous with my fucking booger bracelet. Oh my God, how do you miss it? How do you miss a 150K select account? What is wrong with you? That's so expensive. Oh my God. All right, here we go, next winner. How do you miss that? How do you miss that, guys? By the way, look at the market clock on my screen. Look at the market clock on my screen. You don't have to type instantly again. Guys, you don't have to type instantly again. You don't have to type it again. Oh my God, look at, there they are. They were that late. Oh man, they typed it in too and they were that late. Fuck. Fills the light. Fills the light. I know you're here, but look at the time. Look at the clock. Brother, you missed it. You had 60 seconds to claim. I got to follow the rules, brother. I got to follow the rules, my friend. All right, Phils. There you go. Amazing. Good comms. Quickly claimed. All right, for the grand prize, ladies and gentlemen. The grand prize of the session. Roll Tide, nice. Rock and roll. The grand prize of the section is a 50K lightning funded account. I'm gonna clear all winners out. All winners are eligible again. You guys ready? Is everybody ready? Again,
I'm going to warn you right now. Put the speed of the stream at 2x. Put the stream at 2x speed. If it's not at 2x speed, you're going to be watching at a delay and you're going to miss out on a free account. Don't do that. You don't have to type it instantly if you already did, okay? You type it in 1x. 1x, one time. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? I don't know if you guys are ready. I don't know if you guys are actually ready. That's the thing. Is that you? Who the fuck was that? Did you guys hear that? Was that you? Are you guys hearing that? What is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh, fuck! I knew they were here. Son of a bitch. God damn it. I knew it. Can never fucking escape them. Can never fucking escape them. All right. Final giveaway of the day. 1 Tradeify 50K Lightning funded account. Let's go, baby. Good luck. Here we go. Oh, Keegs, not like this. Not like this. Trader X motivation. Let's see if they can claim it in time. There they are. There they are. Hello, me. All right, you got to type in your username. Yep, it's you. We see you. What's the username? What's the username? Username. All right, we're going to make this, it's the grand prize. We got to make this serious. Timer 60 seconds. See if they can type in their name here. We're waiting. We're waiting. We need to see your name pop up here. Come on, Trader X Motivation. It might not be over. They might not claim it. They got 45 seconds to claim it. They got 45 seconds to claim it. They might miss out here. This is a 50K Lightning funded account. Oh, shit. I don't think they're going to get it, guys. We might be rolling again here. They're fucking blowing it right now. They're blowing it. They're blowing it. 25 seconds to go. They're blowing it. They're blowing it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my God. 14 seconds to go. Fuck, they're going to blow it, guys. Oh, no. Oh, my God. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, my God, at the last second. Why would you type the @ symbol? Why would you ever type the @ symbol, brother? Why would you ever type the @ symbol? That almost cost you a fucking 50K account. Holy shit, brother. Why? Why would you ever use the @ symbol? Oh, my God. Guys? Guys? He says, it's my X ID. You guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Who's ready for this? They don't even follow me. Wow. Oh, shit. You know what that means, guys. You know what that means. Oh, now they get all cute. Now they press the follow button. By the way, guys,
Let me see. How much is a 50K Lightning funded account? Let me just see here real quick. Let me just check something. Let me just see. I just want to see something real quick. Let's see. Add account. Let's see here. Log in. Add account. Add account. Lightning funded. 50K. Oh, it's only $300. That's insane work, brother. That's insane work. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Do we give it to him? Do we give it to him or do we re-roll? I'm gonna give it to you guys. He says I follow on Insta, but you didn't give me your Insta name. That would have been a lot easier. What's your name on Insta, bro? Yeah, let's see. What's your name on Insta? Huh? Let's see. What's the name on Insta? He's gonna do the @ symbol again. Dude. Oh God. Oh man. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable, guys. What do we do? Give it to him? It's $300. Do we give it to him or do we roll? What do you guys say? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I want to do whatever you guys think is fair. You know what I mean? I want to do whatever you guys think is fair. I want to do whatever you guys think is fair. I want to do whatever you guys think is fair. He did follow me on Instagram. He has followed me on Instagram. What do you guys think? All right, here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to say, fuck that bitch. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to give it to him. I'm going to give it to him, but tell you what. I'm going to give it to him. And because that guy wished cancer upon me, I'm going to do a grand prize of a 150K Lightning funded account. Is that fair? That's expensive. That's expensive. All right, let's do that. That seems fair. That's a great way to go into our weekend, okay? Now again, because I know this is hard to understand, guys, be following me, be ready to claim it, make sure you're caught up, and let's win some shit, okay? There you go, buddy. I just sent it to you. There's the coupon code. Lock in and get a payout. If you unfollow me on fucking Twitter, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, you still follow me. That's fair. All right. All right. You guys ready for this? How much does this account cost? Fuck. Bro, this is $500. We're about to give away $500. $500? Hold on. What did I said I was going to give away a 25K account, right? I said I was giving away a 25 account, right? What did I say? I forget. It's my ears are fucked up. What did I say again? What did I say again? I forgot, guys. What did I say again? I fucking forgot. I forgot. I said I was gonna give away like 2 pieces of burnt hair and a nickel, right? I said I didn't say anything about a 150K account, right? I'm pretty sure I said I was giving away 2 pieces of burnt hair and a nickel. All right, fuck it. Let's do it. 150K traded by Lightning funded. Let's go! Good luck. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck, guys. This is a big one. Oh, it's going to be a kickster. It's going to be a kickster. KDR246, you have won a $500 account. You've won a 150K traded by Lightning funded account. What? Let me see. KDR246. There you are. Oh my God. You copy pasted it 3 times, brother. What a fucking legend. What a legend. What a legend. Dude, congratulations to all of our winners today. We've had some big winners today. To be honest, you gotta take it. You gotta really give your tip of your hat to that dipshit who can't lay tile for the life of him. If it wasn't for that guy, I wouldn't have given away so much. So thank God that guy wished cancer upon me and my family. God bless that guy. Seriously, thank you so much to the tile laying dipshit out there. You made everybody's day possible, and congratulations for never being able to claim an account in here, you piece of shit. Suck my dick, pussy. All right, everybody, that's my week. We've had a great week. We took $24,000 in payouts. We are almost getting a $15,000 payout in our Tradeify Lightning funded accounts. It's a fucking epic week. It's been an epic week, and I just love to share it with you guys. I hope you all have a great weekend out there. I'll be back Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Pacific. I love you guys. Be good. Take care. I'll see you guys on Sunday.